Yo, yo! What up, what up? Good morning, all you legends. What up, champions? How we doing today? Yo, yo! Greetings from Europe. What's goody? What's goody? Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Take a seat. Relax. Enjoy the show. What up, Joe? Morning, Joe. All right, who do we got here today? Let's see. We got Joe Stewart in the house. Who else? We got Legrand is here. What up, Legrand? What up, Bradley? Good morning, Crypto Madden. What up, Crypto Madden? Ghost of me. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? Morning, Christian. What up, Dylan? What's up, Gotta Trade? Gotta Trade's here. Hey, Nicolas. Good morning to you as well. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening to all. What up, AB Mike? What up, Shiro? Shiro got the dab energy this morning. What up, Wiz? Pit Pirate's in the house. What up, Pit Pirate? What up, Disturbed? Disturbed is here, as always. Look left in the building. Welcome, welcome. What up, everybody? What up, Xander? What up, Classic Trader? Yes, sir. Leo. What up, Bradley? What up, Cat Studios? Yeah. See, I see consistency here. I'm starting to see some consistency. Oh, yeah. Hey, Giuseppe. Giuseppe's in the building. Ray Capital. What up, Ray Capital? Ray Capital. Making moves, Ray Capital. Hey, yo. What up, Adrian? What up, Mig? What up, Mig? All right, y'all ready to get started? I think I'm ready to go. Who else we got? Where the mods at? We got Shiro here. We got Z Gamer in the house. What up, Star? Good morning to you. Good to see you as well. Off the face. Greetings from London. Good afternoon. Yeah, afternoon for you guys now, right? Yeah, I think so. All right, let's get the party started. I think Zoom is good to go. Let me just... Discord. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can come on in. Come join the free Discord here. Welcome to the Time to Eat community. If this is your first time here, congrats. Congratulations for being here. Welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the chat. And this will be a very educational live stream where any questions that you do have, we will take the time to answer them for you and get you right in this trading thing. All right, let me just lower the music here. And I think that should be pretty good. Yeah. Awesome. All right, cool. Yeah, I think we're good. Zoom is good. Everything is good here. Yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you could join the free Discord. Link should be in the description at this, not in the description, in the chat at this point. And you can click there and, join the free Discord. We got over 4,500 members in that Discord at this point. great community. I'm talking amazing community. You got all different type of rooms to chat in, and I know I always say we'll talk about it later, but we'll talk about it later, right? We'll talk about the Discord later. Right now, I'm excited. I want to get into the charts. We got a lot of good things happening here today. Let's take a look really quick at the news here and see what we got going on, right? So if you guys haven't liked the stream, can you please give the stream a like as you come on in here today? Let me just get this. There we go. Yeah, if you guys could give the stream a like, we're gonna need 200 likes before we could even get started here today. But you know, today is Wednesday, right? Today's Wednesday. It's the 16th of August, so we're about halfway through the month here. So coming to that halfway point as we speak, and everything is looking good. Good morning, Joseph. Morning, Joseph. So everything's looking pretty clean. We got some news coming in today, I believe, as we get midway through this week. So it is Wednesday. It is another day and another opportunity, right, to be disciplined traders here today, and just do what we do best, right? Come into the markets. We have our parameters set. We know what we're looking for. We have a playbook like every other professional, and we stick to that playbook. And what we'll be doing today same thing we do every day, right? Is look for playbook opportunities that we can take advantage of and get in and get out of the markets here today. So that's what we'll be doing here today. If you're not tightened up, tighten up. Like the stream as well. I don't even think we have 200 likes, do we? No, we do not have 200 likes. Yeah, so if we can get 200 likes, that'd be awesome. And we'll get the breakdown going. But yeah, so we got some news coming in here today, right around like 2 p.m. So nothing crazy. Looks like we'll be able to trade, 8:15, 8:30, 9:15, 9:30 here today. So we should have some nice positions. We do have crude oil inventories coming in as well. That's going to be at 10:30. And then this is not the FOMC press conference. This is just like some meeting. It's like it's a red folder, but it's not the FOMC that you're thinking of. So that's what we got going on today. We do have some more news coming on towards the end of the week as well, which should put some volume into the markets. We have unemployment claims tomorrow coming in, and that should give us a nice move as well. So let's go ahead. Let's open up the charts. Let's see where we're at and do this top-down analysis, right? So taking a look at the monthly time frame here. So we've broken the lows here, gang. Broken the lows. This is perfect. This is what we expected at the beginning of the month. We knew that we were in this high-level rejection zone here, and we knew that every single time we've come up here, we've rejected. Now, as you can see, every single time those rejections happen, we created a resistance, right? We created a resistance here, and price was able to push down. Same thing here. After this monster rejection, you had a resistance formed. The price was able to push down very, very nicely here. And now look, what do you know? We have a resistance here, or a rejection, now a resistance, and now price is chopping around sideways a bit. But I believe if this monthly candle closes below, then what you'll see next month is a new push, right? A strong push to the downside here. And I can totally see that happening based off of price action, and also based off of current affairs, right? Current economical affairs, what's going on in the US with the dollar, all that good stuff. So that's what we got going on in the monthly time frame. So cool part is we did break those lows, right? We broke those lows, which is very nice. Now we have pretty clean traffic. We have this wick that's ahead of us, but once we get through there, very, very clean traffic coming down to support level over here at like 18, it's probably like 1830 or so. So we're watching it happen, right? We're watching these things play out. These are things that we've talked about over the past couple months, and we just seem to be right on top of gold you know, everywhere it goes. So we are right on it here, gang. So let's take a look. Let me just lower the music. All right, cool. So we've been right on it, man, like white on rice. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. And if we look at the weekly, what do you notice here, right? This weekly candle, right? We closed previous weekly, very, very strong bearish candle. Where do we close? We closed below this level of support here at 1920. Huge close right there. Huge close, right? Now, if we're going to come down, well, we have clean traffic here to the left-hand side. The next point of any sort of rejection or supports or anything like that would be down here at 1870. So this is all clean traffic territory. Like I said, we need to get past this wick, which is that next wick on the monthly time frame. But I believe once we break through that, you shouldn't have any problem pushing down here with price, so filling that range. So that's what I'm expecting to see. I know we don't have the greatest top wick on this candle yet right here, so I don't know, right? Is this going to be the top wick? Is it not going to be? That's something that only time will tell. But if that is the top wick, we should continue down now to about 1870, 1869 here. So that's kind of the goal here, I believe, on price action for the week. If we're going to take positions today, though, let's take a look at what we got going on, right? Another huge closure we got yesterday was this daily candle closing below 1903, 850 here. Major closure right there. This is a perfect top wick. You see how this top wick right here, let me make this white. See how the top wick we have here, if you look left, it lines up perfectly with this support, and that's exactly what we want to do. We want to tap into where we left, right? We could still come up a little bit more, but if that's going to be the high now, how can we anticipate this candle moving bearish, breaking the lows and continuing down, right? That's what we're looking to see, how we can take advantage of price here today. So let's take a look at the 4 hour and go down and see how we can find positions today. So 4 hours is looking good. If you notice, one thing about the 4 hour time frame is we do not have a bottom wick on this current candle here. So it looks like this candle opened up and started pushing up right into this zone here. If we look left, we notice that there is a support level here, a previous support that we may close above or we may reject. Now, if we do reject, you may see either us reject and come down and close bearish, or you may see the next candle close bearish, right? Looking something like this, coming down, creating that resistance for price to continue down here. So that's what we could expect here, something like that today, if we're anticipating those sells based off of this daily candle, making a top wick currently and getting ready to flip bearish, break the lows, and continue down to fill the wick, right? So let's take a look at the 1 hour. We know where the 4 hour is at. We know that there's no bottom wick here. We know that 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. So if this candle doesn't have one, there's a very high chance that we will come down to create that bottom wick. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, because now we need to try and find signs for bearish confirmation now, right? So what do we see here? We see that we have some sort of support here. Price closed right at it after rejecting, right? You guys see this rejection right here? Rejection as well, but this recent rejection where this candle closed below the range here, right? And now the next one rejected, never broke the high. This one is starting to, it came up to the high, never broke it, starting to push back down, right? So can this 1 hour candle close bearish, right? This candle just opened about 8 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Can this candle close bearish here, right? If this candle can close bearish, then that's the resistance that we're looking for, right? So if this one closes bearish, guess what's coming up in 1 hour? You have the NY open, right? So if this candle closes bearish here, price will, very, very high chance, price will come down to retest this support level here at 1904, right? So that could be a trade opportunity that we could take advantage of here today, but we got to see that closure, right? Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame as well. Beautiful. A lot of consolidation happening here. We really want to see a closure on the 1 hour time frame. If we can get a nice candle closure back in the range, bearish, we could look to take sells around 8.15 here today. So, and then we can obviously take advantage of comics open. We could take advantage of 8:30 volume, and then you know, possibly be in this and out this position by like 8:15 to like 8:45 here, and then we'll wait on 9:30, right, for continued sells. So that's what we'll look to do here. If anything, what I'm going to be doing is I'll take my buys above this level here today. So I'll take my buys above 1907, just like I would have done yesterday, and that's going to be clean buys above. Right here at 1906, I'm going to look for a fake out. So potential fake out for sells right here. And then if we don't get any of our opportunities within this range, I'll look to take my sells probably below. Let's look left here. Let's see. Yeah, probably below here. Below the support at 1903. I'll look to take my sells coming down. And then if we do continue down and close below 1901, then we're going to come down and fill this wick here. That wick is also the daily candle wick fill. Cool. So you see how it all lines up? See how everything lines up, comes together on the higher, from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. So that'll be the day here. So clean sells, right? Potential fake out, looking for sells right around 1906. If not, we'll take our sells below 1903. We got plenty of range to take sells here today. So let's stay patient. Let's let this hourly candle close, and then we'll see you know, how we can enter positions here today. Cool. Why is this thing all the way down here? Yeah, full target today is going to be 1896 here. It's going to be that daily wick fill. And then if we break that wick, we should continue down even further here today, right? This, if you look at this, let me get rid of this. If you look at the daily time frame here, right, we can expect, if this was a 30-minute time frame, right, and we had a closure below the range here, what would we expect price to do, right? We would expect price to probably come down into these ranges here, right? So that's what I'm expecting on the daily time frame. We would probably close partials right around this area, because look at all these wicks, right? This is what you want to target for the day, you know, somewhere down here, you know, in these ranges. So we've got plenty of room today if gold wants to drive. Sit tight, be patient, and let's wait for the highest probability opportunities, and we'll execute when they come. We will execute. All right, look at the 1 hour candle here now. Beautiful. 30 minutes looking good too. Yeah, everything looks pretty clean. Lovely, lovely. So yeah, that's the day here on gold. Let's sit tight, let's wait, and we'll see where we're at here. This. Okay, sweet. Mute. All right, perfect. All right, cool. So yeah, so let's see what happens here. We may have an opportunity on the 15 close here, but the 15's closing in about 30 seconds. So we'll see what happens. I think I'd much rather wait for 30-minute closure here, because look, this 30-minute candle was down here at 1.2, but it ended up closing back in the range. So the 15 is okay, but I think I'd rather wait for the 30 here in the pre-New York. Yeah, that's good. We broke 1 hour lows there, so perfect. Perfect, perfect. Where'd my chat go? Where'd my chat go? All right, so yeah, so that's gonna be the day here on gold. Everything looks good, right? Everything looks like it's starting to play out, looking clean. I want to see if this 30-minute candle will close below the range. That's the big question here. If it does, I think we may be able to take positions before NY open here, and we'll see, because these could be the highs of the day now, right? These right here could be the highs of the day. That could be our daily top wick for price to continue down now. So let's just be patient. If these 15-minute sells are yours, go ahead and take them. I'm gonna wait for the 30, just because the 30's been down here before and it's pulled back, right? It's pulled back already. So I'd rather wait for that candle to close. That would also probably confirm our 1 hour resistance here as well. So yeah. Yeah, those buys, those are going to be the same buys we had yesterday. So we're looking for the same buys, same zone. Yeah, we need that zone to break for taking buys there. All right, cool. All right. Should we sell now? Great work, Nick. Thanks, man. Would you take it off? Would you not take it off the 30-minute? Yeah, I'll take it off the 30-minute. Yeah, 1 hour lows just broke. Yup. Yeah, the thing is, the 30-minute was down here already. So it's been down here. So we want to make sure that this candle can actually close below. I think it will. I think where we're at, where we are, like on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour having no bottom wick, that being the daily top wick, I think we're in a good place here. But I do want to see that candle close, because if it doesn't, then we just consolidate, right? And we continue to range for a bit until, who knows, right? NY open, NYSE open, right? We don't know. So a nice clean closure outside of there would be perfect. I'm in a buy. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, let me just do a few things over here real quick. All right. Yeah, these stops aren't bad either. 1907, 300. Not bad. They're like 20 pip stops. Yeah, not bad. Hey, yo. What up, Shad? Good morning, bro. Chat on fire today. Chat on fire. My bad. I haven't looked at the chat much. Let me look at the chat and see what we got going on. Oh, Anthony's in the house. What up? Anthony's in the building. What up, Yanosh? Yanosh is here. W analysis, thank you. You taking these gold sells now? I'm gonna wait probably for the 30-minute here. Yeah, 15 don't look bad though. Buy or sale, buy or sale. I think it will consolidate till NY open. Yeah, that's what we'll see. We'll see. Ty Lopez is in the house. What up, Ty Lopez? US30. Yeah, let's take a look at the Dow here. Let's take a look at US30 here today as well. Looks like we have broken those weekly lows, which is very, very nice. Daily candle looks really clean to continue down. I know we talked yesterday about seeing this daily candle close and seeing it close below this range here. Excuse me. Now you notice that top wick, it tapped back into that support. So that's a beautiful top wick. If we break the lows here, this thing should drive today very nicely. You should see a very strong push. Let's see what we got going on the 4 hour, right? So the 4 hour time frame has a pretty strong support right here. You also have a resistance up top here, and this is pretty much the range that you're in on this 4 hour time frame right here. So if we can get a breakout of this range, that's going to be really nice, right? So the daily lows are down here. Let's take a look at what these wicks look like on the 1 hour and the 30 minute. Looks like they're just wicks, maybe a little fake out here. So yeah, I think you got that nice support there. Let's take a look left, make sure there's no other supports, because remember gang, everyone can see this support, right? Anyone who's looking at the chart can see that support right there. So what we need to do as traders is we need to do a little legwork. We need to scroll back, right? Traders are just lazy, man. The information is all printed there for them, right? We need to scroll back and take a little bit more effort. And then look, what do you know? What do you know, right? Would you look at that? So what we need to do here is we need to adjust that. And we need to have our support right here so we don't look like fools later on getting faked out, you know, above that range there. So I'm going to look to take my sells below 34900 here. So sells below here after a closure. And then very simple, I'll probably look for some sort of a fake out right in this range. Fake out to maybe continue on down with our sells, because we may want to do some little retracement, right? We've come down, we may want to retrace before coming back down. So that's why we'll look for sells, potential fake out, and then sells below there. So that looks pretty clean. And then we may look to take buys probably honestly above here. Yeah, I don't really want to take buys on US30 here today, right? But if we do, we break that high, then I could probably say we're going up. So we'll see. I think above there on the 30 minutes going to be our best bet. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd rather just look for fake outs along these lines here and not get caught up in buys. So yeah, that's what I look for on the Dow. Oh, 15-minute breaking lows. All right, 30-minute, will you do it? Yeah, so fake outs above this, or fake outs right around that resistance level. Because people will look at that resistance and then just say, all right, perfect, clean buys above, take their buys, and that's a lot of times where the fake outs will usually tend to happen, is going to be right around those zones, right? Right when price starts pushing up, people are going to say, oh, perfect, you know, we got a beautiful range here to the left, but they're failing to realize that they're going against the daily bias. So what'll happen is you'll see a fake out, right? You'll see a price break the highs, fake out back into the range, and then price will continue down, you know, like so, right? And then just continue down off the daily time frame. So we don't want to get caught in that. We'd rather wait for the fake out and then take advantage of sells, you know, somewhere around these ranges. Already in sells, just broke the lows. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I want to see the 30-minute close here. In your experience, what have been the best trading months for you? You know, they've all been pretty good. February is usually a slow one. July and August could tend to be a little bit slow, but anything outside of those months are pretty solid. Yeah, they've all been pretty well. On to the next. Hey, what up, Alan? Good morning, bro. Good morning. Yeah, let's see. We're probably gonna get that flip here on the 4 hour, which is gonna be lovely. There it is, right? No bottom wick on that 4 hour. Coming in hot now. Yeah, this is going to be nice. If we can get a wick fill here, and then we'll keep stops above the highs here, that'll be perfect. Do you stream every day? Yeah, we stream every day. Yep. Monday through Friday. It's afternoon. I'm a new subscriber. Which pairs do you normally trade? We trade gold and US30. Yeah. US30 we haven't had. We just added this to our watch list here. We've traded gold and GJ for the longest, but GJ hasn't really done much for us here. So in the last couple months, so we decided to put her on the bench and bring out US30 here. So this is a pair that we've been back testing now, or sample sizing for a while, over a year now. Like I've been sample sizing this pair since before I started streaming. So it's a pretty good pair. I like the way it moves after 9:30. We're also looking into the NASDAQ to potentially start trading that as well. So yeah, we may have 2 or 3 pairs up here. Can you check GJ? Yeah, let's check GJ. So GJ is, yeah, I don't want anything to do with GJ here, man. Yeah, it looks like you got pretty decent room on pound yen to like 186 here. So let's see. I think I've seen a range on the lower time frame forming here, right? Yeah. So yeah, so the daily close bullish. It's doing its job, pumping up. 4 hour close very strong bullish as well. 1 hour looks pretty clean also. You do have a support here, I believe. If you do, I mean a resistance, but if you do create a support here, then very high chance that price will continue on up. So I would probably wait for a 30-minute closure, and if you get a 30-minute closure, then you could probably take your buys coming up, and then anticipating the NY Open to continue pushing price up. So yeah, that's what I would do. We're pretty much pushed up. You're kind of creating that support now, and if that support could be established, then yeah, it looks like you could take clean buys coming up. So that's what I would do on pound yen here today. Pound yen, still pushing up. Come back next month. All right, so let's see what we got here on the 30-minute. See if we can get a position in here. We need a pullback, so we close with a bottom wick. This was only like a 2 or 3 pip move, I believe, so far, right? Yeah, it's nothing crazy. So let's see if we can pull back a little bit on the 30-minute. No, we closed with no bottom wick. So yeah, so we gotta wait for gold there. But this is perfect because the 1 hour is creating a nice resistance right now. So as long as this 1 hour can hold and form a resistance, then we should be good to continue down remainder of the day. How's the 400K challenge going? It's going good. I'm at break even. I no longer have a time limit on it, so I'm at break even. Took 3 trades on it, so yeah, going good so far. Nowadays we don't trade US30 or GJ. Good morning, all. Hey, what up? Does movement on the DXY help in predicting gold movement? Yeah, it could. Yeah, you could look at it for like certain confirmations. Usually what they'll be doing is the opposites of each other. So if gold is pushing down right now, the DXY I'm sure has a bullish candle, right? You kind of just like reverse the chart. How to use copy trading? I don't know the full ins and outs of it. I mean, I know you just hook up your account, you make sure your risk is proper, you make sure everything on the settings is good, and then that's it. That's what I know of it, right? I just know it works. I use the social trader, so that's one that you can use and take advantage of. And if you have any questions on that, go to Austin's YouTube channel, and there's a full video I think that explains the entire program and how to place the settings and all that good stuff. So yeah, lots of people watching, speaks volumes to the channel. How many people we got watching? Who's here today? Let me see. Oh, 1,200. All right, awesome. Good to see you guys here today. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and come on, hang out with us every day. What was the lowest amount I ever traded with? Maybe like $100. $100. Yeah, there's the YouTube video. Thanks, Shiro. There's the YouTube video right there, explaining the copy trader. Is the social trader free? I'm not too sure. I heard you're using a copy trader for your funded account. They could refuse to pay you for this? No, a lot of people use copy traders. Yeah, because a lot of people are just stacking capital, right? They're just stacking capital now. So once you got the skill, and that's what the Time to Eat Elite program is all about, is the theme of that is like get the skill and then start to scale up. Like once you have the skill set, and me hosting the stream and working with other traders kind of pushed me a little bit too, because for a while there I was just trading on a 100K account. You know, I was doing good, making good money, but you know, some of these guys started getting like 300, 400, 500K accounts, and I was thinking, why am I trading on a 100K account? So I just decided to scale up myself, and I'm going to continue scaling up. I'm going to be the leader, and I'm going to lead from the front with this program and get myself, you know, finish up the 400K. And then once I get the 400K on the first payout from that, I'll be getting, there's another company called Bespoke, and they offer $1 million account. So I will get that account, and then there's another company that offers a 500K account. So I'll be getting those as well. And I really want to encourage traders to really get the skill and then scale the heck up, man. Right? Because just those accounts alone, that's 2.5 million, right? 2.5 million. All you really need to do is just continue doing the same thing day in and day out, right? Taking our 15, 20 pips and keeping it moving, right? Like at that point, you're talking like 2,000 a pip or more than that, right? So once you have that skill set, then it's just time to scale up and get more capital and, you know, use that skill set to your advantage, and then use the funding capital to your advantage, right? What a time to be alive. What a time to be a trader. What a time to have a skill that can pay the bills. Just subscribe from London. Hey, thanks for subscribing, Changing Gear. Hope you pull up every day. Hey, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like as well here today. That'd be awesome. That would make my day, man, honestly. To have you lovely people like my stream, that'd just be incredible. 350? Yeah, those are rookie numbers, chat. Those are like 2 months ago numbers. Right? We should have at least 5, 6, 7 hundo. I'm waiting for your signal, bro. Got you, bro. Got you. Why not use Dominion markets? Maybe I do. Maybe I do use them. No, I use I use Traders Global currently. Traders Global up here. They're this is the broker that my Forex funds uses. So that's who I use currently now. Is there a Telegram group? No. Do we have a Discord though? You can join the free Discord. What up, Jeanette? What was the moment you knew you needed to get away from downstream? And go on your own different journey. You know, I think I knew that before I even started, right? Like my goal was never, I mean, I just have a true passion and like love for helping and serving people as a leader, because, you know, I come from network marketing background, right? So this is always something that I've wanted to do. So yeah, I did want to get the skill set and learn how to trade, but I also was always keeping in mind a way where I can pay it back, right? Where I can pour whatever I learn into other people. So I always had the idea, especially when Raja was streaming, I was thinking, man, this guy's bringing in, you know, a lot of people here and teaching a lot of people how to trade. And I was one of them. And then, you know, seeing Don in the community and that started to inspire me as well. But I just knew I had to get the skill set down first. And then I did, right? I got the skill set down. I pretty much learned. I was with Don on his stream for about 2 years. So year one, I kind of learned. And then year two is when I started really seeing the results of it. And then, you know, once I had those results, I just thought, you know, why not go out now and do something bigger and focus on something, you know, bigger than just my own personal trading, because I can do nice things in the world and things like that. But how about if we had 15,000 other people crushing it, doing nice things in the world, right? Then we start to really kind of change things. So, you know, my idea is I'm always looking at the long term and the bigger impact that we can have. And I can only do so much as a trader, right? There's people that you guys will be able to impact that I will never be able to reach. And I understand that, right? So I understand that, you know, we can go much further together than you can alone. So I always admired building a group and having a tribe and, you know, building a community out where it's a bunch of people hungry, going after the same thing. You know, everyone's got a dream, everyone's got a goal, and, you know, we're just making each other better. So yeah, I don't think there was really a moment where I was like, I'm going to leave and do my own thing. I just think I had that vision from, you know, from early on. Everybody read The Slight Edge. Yeah, go ahead, read The Slight Edge. That was one of my favorite books I ever read for a long time. Still is in my top 5. Love The Slight Edge. Jeff Olson. The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. Great book. Spoke? No, it's like BESPOKE. So like bespoke, like bespoke. What's your account size? I have a 100K account. How do we apply for the elite program? The applications will be up soon. They're not up yet. We're still working with the previous group. So applications will be coming up. We're doing a lot. We've revamped this thing. We've put a lot of time into really building out an incredible curriculum for you guys. So I'm excited to get it started, but you know, that stuff won't be happening until September, you know, first week, second week of September. But yeah, keep an eye out for it. If you guys have been wanting to join the elite, we're going to be opening up shop pretty soon. So it's going to, this next one's going to be insane, man. I really look forward to it. When in September? Yeah, it'll probably be like the first week. Applications will go out, so and then enrollment will begin. So we're only taking on 25 people. It's gonna either be 20 or 25, but that's gonna be max. So I know there's a lot of people that want to join, but yeah, we're gonna cut it at 25 to make it a really solid group setting type of training, and it's gonna be fantastic, man. I'm so looking forward to it. We've been working on it, right? We've been working on it. Sam's going to be coming in, and Sam's going to be doing all the fundamental teaching. So you guys are going to have like 4 sessions a week. And the first session will be meet with me, and we'll be going over strategy. We'll be going over playbook. We'll be going over trading, right? All the stuff that we talk about with trading. And you'll have a workbook, and there'll be specific concepts on specific days, and it'll be like a hour and a half session. And what'll happen is I'll teach the first 25-30 minutes of that session, and then we're going to open it up for Q&A and discussion, and you know, really dive into the playbook and you know exactly some of our basic concepts, our more experienced concepts. So it's going to be dope, you know. And then that's one session of the week, and then you get another session with Sam, who's going to be, man, I posted on my IG, but Sam has been working. That boy been cooking. I'm talking cooking, man. So he's got an incredible curriculum when it comes to fundamentals and economics. He'll also be keeping everybody up to date on the current affairs, what's going on and why gold is doing this, or why, you know, pound yen or the euro's doing that. So that's going to be really exciting. And then we have like a psychologist as well. So you'll have a session with a psychologist who's going to help you work on your mental framework, going to help you work on emotions and just the inner you, I would say, right? Because that inner you plays a huge role in what comes in your reality on the outside, right? So yeah, so those are going to be 3 sessions, and then I think every weekend we'll do a trade recap of all the trades that we took over the week. So yeah, it should be fun. Should be a good time. All right, cool. Look at this. So 1 hour is looking good, man. Creating that resistance that we were looking for here. Where's Green? Oh, he's in here somewhere. There he is. There's Green. Good morning, Pablo. Oh, look who's here. The man, the myth, the legend. Who do you guys think it is? Who do you guys think's here? There he is.
Yo, yo,
There he is,
what's good?
the man.
Good morning, brother. Good morning, chat. What's good?
How we feeling today?
Feeling great, bro. Another day to be great.
Another day to be great, baby.
What's good, Zoom? Chat, what's good? Get me lit. Let's go. Another day to be savages in the markets, chat.
Yes, sir.
Run it up.
Anywhere to buy the playbook? No, you can't buy it, Lewis. But there is I did do a free video on YouTube about the playbook. Yeah, you can grab it there. All right, so let's just hang tight here. For those who took positions, nice. You guys should be in decent profits if you took it off the 15. And really, really nice stops up there. But we do have the NY Open coming up here in just a few minutes, and we'll probably get some volume coming in. What up, Sandman?
And man, good
What
morning.
up, Red FX?
X.
Red FX is in the house. Bring out the whole volume. The mods are coming. The mods are coming. Very nice.
Hey,
This is
chat.
perfect. Perfecto.
Oh, yeah.
We're clearing out this whole range now. So this is good. It's real good. Oh yeah. 4 hour, lovely. 4 hour had no bottom wick. Pushed up, there we go. Just perfect. Just beautiful. Give me 1 sec, chat. I'll be right back. Give me 1 sec, Johnny boy.
Hey, chat, daily reminder, and for more repetition to the mind, right? What is our job today? What is the professional trader's job today? The professional trader's job today is to execute on his edge when his edge presents itself to him without hesitation, right? That is his job. And while he's waiting to execute on his edge, he must be patient. He must be disciplined, right, to his edge, because his edge is a high probability trade setup that doesn't happen every time he's at the charts, right? Doesn't happen every day. They're high probability setups that we're hunting for, so we must practice and work out our discipline and patience muscle for our edge. And once our edge comes to us, we will execute, right? It's just a daily reminder, repetition to the mind, get into your brain, say it over and over to yourself. All right, let's kill it today. If your desire is to be a professional trader, you have to act like a professional trader. No ifs, ands, ifs, or buts, right?
Sheesh, that young boy taking y'all to school today. Holy.
Oh.
Holy.
Yeah, just some more repetition to the brain,
stuff.
chat. That's it. Yeah.
Repetition to the brain. You guys can tell he uses some repetition there, right? Yes, he does. Yeah, he does. What up, Scott? Morning, bro.
Good morning, Scott.
I think once traders can finally understand that and get that, then they don't jump at this, they don't jump at that. They just really just wait for the edge. Because you don't need every pip in the market. You really don't. You really don't. Remember what we were talking about, right? You get the craft, you learn the skill, you get the craft down, and then you just take advantage of one candle every day. It could be that simple. It could be literally that simple.
That's how you make trading simple for yourself, right? That's how you make it simple, not complicated.
Yeah. Yep. Just learned that from Mark Douglas. Yep, exactly. Last night. Good stuff.
Hey.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys are tuning into Marky Mark there, man.
Morning, Joe Stewart.
Where's Joey Stu? Where's Joey Stu at? Hero of the day is in the building. What up, Henry? What's good, Henry? Henry Restless.
Present.
Joe Stu is present. There he is. There he is, the man. I needed that exact at that exact moment. After this live, I'm going to clip that exact part. Garth, good stuff, man. Sometimes traders just need that one little tweak. That one little tweak. That's right, bro. You don't need every pip in the market. That's a lot. There's your example. Yep. Yeah, man. Did you say spoke funding? No, bespoke. What's your outlook on US30 here? Outlook on US30 is we're gonna look for a potential fake out, and right around this area. Looks like we're kind of getting that, probably on the lower time frame, which was probably the 5-minute fake out there. So that's pretty nice. But yeah, I'll be looking to take positions on US30. I want to see how the 4-hour candle closes here, and then because that's really where when US30 starts to gain the juice, right after that 4-hour close. So I'd rather see how this candle closes. It might pull back a little bit to leave a wick fill, or it may close below. Either way, I'm totally fine with either taking an onion here or a breakout. But yeah, I'm looking for sells below these levels over here. There's a major support level right here that I want to wait. And then once we get below there, we got clean traffic now coming downtown. Downtown. Holy. Holy, we got clean traffic on US30 here today. Yes, sir. Boom. Beautiful range. Will we get a trade-off on the Dow today? Will we get it, chat? Will we get a trade-off? Clean, Mr. Clean.
Hey, those are the ranges you like to see. Those are the ranges you want to be a part of.
Yes, sir. What up, Austin? Oh, man, bring out the whole mods. We got all the mods in the building today.
Hey, Walston's here?
Walston is in the house.
Oh.
Sam Capital's in the building. There he is. What up, Sammy boy?
Sam the man.
Sam's cooking. Do. That guy TK, he's gonna be here soon. He's gonna be here. He's just that guy. He had to do some that guy stuff this morning. Yeah, I was talking to him earlier. He's that guy. Future mod in the building. Yes, sir. That's right. Claim to Joe. Joe, we're going to keep an eye out for Joe's name there. We got a couple Joes that are potential future mods here.
Future mod.
Won't look. Free Sam. Free Sam. Uncle Scalpy's in the building. Dabbing on him.
Scalp.
What up, Uncle Scalper? He's that guy. Yeah, he does that. He's just that guy. He's doing that guy stuff. What's your age, bro? I don't have an age. I have no age.
He's
Me
immortal.
speaking no English.
He's immortal.
No, I'm not immortal. I just don't have an age. I just walk around town with no age.
Oh shit, bro.
What up, Daniel?
You identify as non-aged. Gotcha.
Yeah, that's 34 pips.
You assuming my age?
Nick, bro, you're doing a very good thing. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. $34 lots. Who was with us for the 34 lot trade? Whatever you think my age
Hey man,
is,
that was the.
it's not that age. You were there for it, John. You were there.
Hey, that was the movie anticipated at.
Yes,
on Goldie.
sir. Yup, right here. And now if we get closures below, we're good to go.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Discovery 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Critical
Hey, Chad, that's the discipline you gotta have, right? We ain't worried about missing no moves, right? Because you can't miss a move that's not yours. That's the discipline you need to have, right? What you just saw, what my brother Nick just displayed. That's the discipline you must need, right? One of no bottom wick, right? That's one of his rule that goes with his plan. He didn't break that rule, right? He stuck to his plan. He didn't care about the profits that were on the table, right? Because he knew he was thinking long term, right? He knew that following his plan was going to lead to a long term result, right? The success in the long term, right? So
Bingo.
watch my brother Nick and use that as example.
Bingo. What do I look like breaking my plan in front of my younger brothers? Come on. What kind of example would I be?
Sure. I'd be like, bro, what you doing?
And my lovely
Breaking the
community
plan.
here. I was there too. Took a W that day. Oh, thanks to Disturbed. Yeah, man. Awesome. Awesome. So happy you took a W that day. Yeah, that was a good trade. Bro risked his life savings. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. All right, we got 2 minutes here, chat. Let's lock this in. If we get a closure, we're probably going to be looking at 8:15, somewhere around then for positions. It would be awesome if we can get a pack runner, right, at 8:15, get a top wick for this previous candle, break the lows, then we'll look to get into some positions here. Some positions. Will we get a bottom wick, though? We need a pullback. We need a little bit of a pullback here. Yeah, we need a pullback. Can we get a pullback in 15, 14, 13, 12 seconds? Let's see. Let's see. Look at that, pushing back up here on US30. Yeah, this 4 hour, right? We gotta wait on that. Wait on that 4 hour. Ooh, no bottom wick. No bottom wick. Looks like we'll wait for the 15 here. Decision made. Good decision. Trying to get funded since 1980. Damn. Blessings to your family. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, let's go. Shout out all 1,500 of you here. Putting in that work. Right.
Oh, yo, there we go.
There he is.
Yo. Shout out to all
Yeah.
1,500 of you that are putting in
Same.
that work this morning.
You
Bright and
guys-
early, baby.
You
It's a way
guys-
to do it.
They freed you.
Working
bro.
on getting freedom. Yeah. You free me, I'm come free you.
Damn the man.
What up, Sammy boy?
What's the word, boys?
The good word. The
Good,
good
brother.
word today. I think the good word today, is freedom, man. Freedom is the word today. Time and money. Freedom. I think that's the word here.
Freedom.
If you
I
only
like it.
knew how cool freedom was. For those of you that are hunting down freedom, if you knew how sweet it was on a daily basis, you would do everything in your power to get there. You would respect the crap out of your system. Man, what a life.
Sometimes a little taste is all you need, too.
Yeah.
How's everyone doing this morning?
Yeah, I think everyone's pretty good. I think some people took 15-minute sells there, which weren't bad. Below here. And for us, candles kept closing with no top wick or closing with no bottom wick and stuff, so.
Yeah, it's alright. Just wait on it.
Yep. We here.
Yeah, I feel like if the 15 would have gave a little bit of a bottom wick and a top wick,
Yeah.
we'd have been in that.
Yeah, if we get like a 15 resistance, so maybe we pull back, create a resistance on the 15, and now we can catch it coming back down here. For 8:30. 8:30.
We'll see. I think we're gonna get that pack runner.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We get this 15-minute top wick. That'd be awesome. Grab that pack and then we run back down. Yeah, that'll be a 15-minute onion, 30-minute celery. Yep, at 8:30. Yep, exactly. Yeah. You see, we're lining up now. We're talking the same language.
No bottom
Yep.
wick either.
Lovely. What time frame are we looking at? This is the 15. We're looking at like the 30-minute time frame here. Time frames are all right here. You guys can see the time frames, right? Yeah. Can we get that top wick? Can we grab the pack? Yeah, the 1 hour closing no bottom wick here, right? So gotta be careful with this candle right now. 8 a.m. tends to be a little bit of a crazy candle anyway. So I really want to see us create a top wick for that 15. That'd be just fantastic. About to start a 5K account. Nice. Very nice. Will this be a seller if it closes bullish? Yeah, it will be. Yup. Yeah, the only what I would much rather take here though is I want to see this candle maybe kind of push up a little bit further, close bullish, and then maybe the next 15-minute close bullish as well, and then we get a resistance, or we just get something like this, and then we'll take our sells coming down, or if this candle here can just close bullish above the range, and then we can anticipate the fake out right on the next. Let's go to the 15-minute. So we get this 15-minute to close above, looking something like this, given that previous candle a top wick. So basically the pack runner play here, right? So boom, something like that. And then the next 15-minute candle closes bearish, right? If we can get that, and then that would lead us into 8:30, right? So at 8:30 we would have the 15-minute time frame looking like this, and we could take our sells now coming back down here for the final push. Yeah, I think that would be perfect. And what that would look like on the 30-minute time frame would just be something like this, right? You have that candle that closed with no bottom wick. You have the bullish candle here that closed up, right? Let's say it closes like this. Right? And then that would just be us now taking sells on a 30-minute seller replay. The only thing is our entry wouldn't be down here. Our entry would be somewhere up here because we're going to take it off the 15. So we'll see. Or price will just run. Run.
We'll be in that for comics. Well.
Yeah. Yeah, because even though we don't have a bottom wick on this candle, if we can get a bottom wick now on this one, that would be perfect. There's some support to the left. Would you still be open? Yeah, because we have volume, right? So when does supports get blasted through? During times of volume. So if 8 a.m. is coming and we're kind of pushing down here, then we should be able to push through. This was at 7. Yeah, there's some stuff going on at 8:30, yep, but it's nothing major. Nothing major here.
Yeah, I think it's just housing, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep. Let the dog out. I just seen that now. Let the dog out. Can we make a top wick on the 15? Can we do it? Can we do it? So no major news? Nah, no major news.
Yeah, nothing major. I mean, if you do see a good housing report come out, that is going to be considered good for the economy, so it will factor into, you know, the gold sales that we're looking for, but, you know, it shouldn't be anything too crazy.
Yeah. Do you recommend gold for beginners? Yeah, if you have a live stream like this where you can really kind of follow along with, then yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it. But if you're just trading on your own, then I would probably start with a Forex pair, like a little bit of a slower, not as volatile pair. Listen to Sam, the little one knows what he's talking about. He knows. All right, let's see how that 5-minute candle closed. Yeah, if we can come up and break the highs here, that would be awesome. Yeah, I really want to see that top wick. That would just be great for us in our sample sizing here, you know, on the homework. Any active trades? Nope, not yet. First time on this stream, been able to be patient. Oh, just because of you, Nick, and your mods? Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, patience. Patient.
Got the secret sauce.
Don't tell anyone. It's definitely the secret sauce. Don't tell anyone about it. Those mods are offering housing. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. No top wick on the 5 either. Yeah, that pack runner is gonna be ideal before 8:30. If we can get that, that would add so much confirmation to us moving down now. Especially if we have no bottom wick on the 1 hour, right? It gets tough, gang. Right? If it's got no bottom wick on that 1 hour, we really want to see that 15 create that top wick up there. Been watching for the last week or so, learned so much already. I used to already not to be so jumpy. Yeah, and to be patient. Thanks, bro. Got you. Learning the hard way, huh? Yeah, I think we all kind of learn the hard way a little bit, right? But just understand that you don't have to do the hard things too long, right? It's okay to go through the beginning and learning the hard way, but once you find your answers, don't keep making the same mistakes. Right? There's some people who've been trading for 5-10 years that are still making the same exact mistakes, and then there's other guys who've been trading for 2 years and they're driving McLarens, moving on with their life. Right? So don't stay in that stage longer than you have to. It's okay to go through it, but don't stay there longer than needed, right? Get the answers that you need and start to be disciplined, start to be a professional at that point, so you can see profitability, right? And you can achieve the things that you're after with this trading thing. Because I know you guys aren't just here for entertainment, right? I know you guys want to learn, you want to make money. So the quickest way to make money here is to literally get professional, right? The only people that make money here are the professionals. This is a profession, gang. This isn't a gamble. It's not a casino. I mean, it could be that for you. But if you want to make long-term income, just tighten up, man. Just get it, right? Just listen to what we're saying about being mature and professional, and get yourself out of that phase, right? Get yourself, you're done there. You've spent enough time there. You now know what to do. You just got to do it. Yeah, you just got to start doing it day in, day out, right? Candle didn't fit my criteria, don't enter, right? It's got to be very, sometimes our playbook it'll be wishy-washy. It's got to be black or white, to be honest, in this trading game, right? It's got to either be your setup or not. It's not like, oh, I'm gonna take it on this time and I'm gonna do this that time. It's like, if you could just stick with the same thing day in and day out, you'll make an incredible living for yourself, and you'll take a lot of pressure and stress off of your trading that way. So don't stay there longer than you have to, man. Learn the lessons and move on.
Yep, and avoid the loser mentality, avoid the losing mentality, right? And you clearly want to win at this, right? So develop the winner's mindset, the winning mentality, right? If you want to win at something, how would the winners think, right? How would the winners get through it? Just keep that in mind, because you're going to have a process. You're going to go through some trial and error, and you want to be aware of that, and you want to know how to avoid that, right? At all costs. So think like a winner.
Yep. Get rid of that wishy-washy losing mentality if you have it, and just get steadfast on what needs to be done to take your trading to the next level. A lot of times it's only a little tweak.
Yeah.
Late to the party, but I'm here. Hey, yo. Good to have you here. So we almost got it, right? It almost came up and took the high out. Didn't quite do it, but we got 8 seconds left on this candle, and then we have 8:15 approaching. So I think if we don't get it done on this candle, the next candle may pull up and give us that top wick at 8:15 right here. Give us that top wick, and then if it comes down and re-breaks the low, that's probably a pretty decent position to get into. So let's be patient, see if we can get that, and then go from there. Yeah, it can't. It's seeming like it can't break 1903 here, but I really want to see that top wick form. That'll add so much confirmation to our trade here.
XAUUSD out for a pack.
Yes, sir. Let's grab that pack.
En route.
En route.
Grab that pack. Continue running.
Yeah, if we could break the high, that'd be awesome. That'd be great.
Shall she wait for COMEX? Find out soon.
Probably. Yeah, probably.
At this point, yeah, I would think so.
Yeah, comics might come up and break the highs, and then we come down and re-break the low. Yeah, if we could break the highs, I'm gonna have a sell stop on a re-break of the lows down here. Yup, just like that. But we gotta break this high. We gotta come up and make a top wick there. That's probably gonna happen in about 4 minutes. Those stops would be, they would only be like 8-9 pips. So that's not a bad position right there. So let's see if we could pump up a little bit, break the highs, and then we'll have a stop loss up here and look to enter on the break of the low there. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we've seen this happen quite a few times here, right? Quite a few times at 8:15, 8:30. So let's see if we can get it now. Did we take a trade yet? No, not yet. We're anticipating one though. Stop loss? No, I mean stop loss. We'll keep the stops above here. Yeah, sell stop will be on the break of the low there, but not yet, not yet. This is targeting volume, yes. This is targeting that pack runner move right here. So this is what we've been looking at in sample sizing. If we come up, break this high, once we break that low, price should continue driving down. If you look at that, yeah, it looks good. So did we break it? Yeah, we came right up to it. There it is. Yeah, we got like 10 pip stops here. I want to see what 820 does here. Let's watch this. Let's watch it. Yeah, the one and only thing that concerns me here is the no bottom wick on the previous 1 hour candle. But from my sample size data, if we break this low here, we're going to start pushing down. So I'm going to have a sell stop here, gang. Yeah. Oh, shit. What happened? Oh. Yeah, I'm going to have sell stops on the break of the lows there. I've seen this happen quite a few times at this point. Yeah, there it is. So I'm in. Been activated here. Got into some sells. Stops are going to be kept above the highs here TP is going to be down here, and then I'm going to go break even right around this point. Yeah, there it is. All right, chat. I'm going to move stops to break even. I'm going to close some partials right there. And that's going to be the quick scalp there.
That's gonna be the pack runner.
Yep.
Made sense. That made so much sense.
You see it? Picked up the little pack, broke the highs. Gone. Later.
Oh, baby.
820 did the job.
Yep, 820. So volume right there. Now we should continue down. Yeah, we should continue down there. So close partials right there. Around,
Background.
yeah, around like 8 pips there. And then let's see if we can get this thing to run. So these are ways that we've been looking at how we could take advantage of price, how we could take advantage of the moves at 820 and these smaller little pack runner detailed moves here. So yeah, that was a trade.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
That's how you be fluent with the charts. That's how you be fluent with the markets.
Yep. Yep. Very, very quick trade there. But we should now see. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, we should start to see this thing push.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that's
move
crazy.
this TP a little bit. So, gang, this is something I've been watching now for a while. So next point of partials are gonna be right down here.
Yeah, what I say, Comex.
Yep.
She picks up the pack. Come on, bro. That was perfect. That was beautiful.
That was
That is-
perfect. That
that's-
comics right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully you guys learn. We'll talk about the trade again in a few minutes, but yeah. Yep. Yeah, this is what we've been talking about here, gang, right? We've been talking about this for 2-3 weeks now, and you know, we ourselves have been watching this now for a while. This is something I used to really pay attention to as well about 2 years ago when trading gold. So yeah, there we go. Looking good. All right, I'm gonna close another percentage right there as well at 13-14 pips, and then whatever, right? Let's let this thing ride now. Good job. Congratulations, everyone. Took that trade. Should see a push. Yeah, there it goes. Lovely.
Leading.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this is a
Later.
full TP down here at 1900.
She was a quick one. It makes sense though, right? Like we've talked about it so many times where, you know, that first 15-minute candle, 8 o'clock,
Yep.
opens up, messes around,
Yep.
just kind of pulls liquidity, boom, right before Comex, she drives up, breaks those highs, grabs some liquidity, and then that could have been off of like the first 1-minute candle. I guarantee you that thing just started bleeding.
Yeah.
Right at
Look at the way the 5 looked too, right? We had a bunch of taps to this 1903. Then when we finally broke that high, which was right here. Remember, that's what we were waiting on, right? Until we broke that high, we did nothing. Once we broke that high and then closed, there was a 5-minute onion. Look where our entry was. It was on the break of the lows. That was the break of the 15 low in that case, and after breaking the highs. So I think that was just textbook
timing
pack
too.
runner right there.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, now we're pushing 20 something pips here, so job well done, gang.
So like that's set up. We just
Great work.
we just call it the pack runner.
Yeah.
That's the pack runner.
I bet.
That's it.
Explain why it needed to break the high first. So, like in my mind, and why I say it needs to break the highs, because it's picking up more liquidity. So, like as candles throughout the New York session, if you look at gold, the biggest candles are between 8 a.m. Eastern and 10 a.m. Eastern. So
Yup.
naturally, they're gonna increase in size, create bigger wicks, bigger bodies. So they're gonna break the highs of previous ones. So right there, 8 a.m., New York session had opened up. We broke the highs of the previous candle, picked up some more liquidity, and then you can see that there was more volume entering into the market.
Yeah.
It broke the highs and then came and broke the lows. Look at it blade.
And now look what we're on the
Facts.
daily.
Broke the lows at 820. Comics
I
open
think that just
too.
makes sense. Like if you're like Raja always says, like be fluent with the market. Like I feel like that's just watching that happen so many times. And now yeah, like you see Nick's chart daily candle. That was all top
Yep.
wick. Now we're flipping, driving down bearish.
Yep. Remember when we
So
came
it's overall
to the,
just higher time frame.
yeah, when we came to the charts this morning, right? Price was bullish. We were anticipating how can we catch the push down and the flip of this candle, right, to fill that wick. So that's all we've done, right? That's all we've done here. Just anticipated this move. Couldn't get in on the first half of it. Took the took the trade at what, 8:15, and now 8:30 should continue on, right? We should survive on our break even, and we should continue on. And if we do close below this range here, then we may take another position here. But lovely. Now that was my first, or that was one of our first trades on the pack runner there. So I did probably close maybe a little premature there. But as we continue to see this more often and come tap into the bottom of the range, these are positions that we could look to hold as we move into 820, 830, 845, and then probably close up shop around 845.
I feel like that was like a standard way you'd want to execute it though. Like very, like, you know what I mean? Once it
Yep.
came and broke the lows again, takes them off the table, because it's like at that point it should continue driving, right? It shouldn't come back to your entry. And then as it came down and hit the next support, I believe you took some more off. Yeah, W. I feel like that was awesome.
Yep.
That was cool to capture. Just
Yeah,
like
it was good to see that. It was really nice to see it. Yeah. Because and that's, you know, like we weren't going to budge on this unless we got that high, right, to break. So it was really cool seeing that play out again, right, at 8:15, and then getting activated around 8:20, because what I was looking for there was, will we break the high at 8:20? But here's what happened. We ended up breaking the high at like 8:18, 8:19. So once 8:20 came around, we were starting to drive back down. So I figured, hey, if we've broke it now, then 8:20 now may break the low for the push, right? Instead of break the high first. So it already broke that high. So now if we still have if we're still approaching 8:20, then that means if we're gonna push down, we're gonna break that low at 8:20, and we're gonna actually be in that push. So once 8:20 came, that's when price started dripping down a bit, and then that's when we set the sell stops and, got activated like 3 seconds after. So, but we do have a new 30-minute candle closing up shop here, so let's see what happens, because we may have an opportunity for more positions.
Big W. I like that. Everything about that was awesome. I liked how like boom, once it broke that high too, it was just like you knew.
Yep. Yeah, that added so much confirmation to our trade right there.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
And then of course the low at 820. I mean,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, because it's
I think it
like,
was better.
I believe like we talked about it too a little bit last night, Nick, where it was like we're saying like when the session's kind of open, it looks like price will pull towards where it wants to move from.
Yeah, exactly.
And so like at 8:20, it wanted to move from that 1903, so it pushed up towards it, broke those highs, and then right from there.
Yep.
And then it's like if you look at all the price action too, it all ends up lining up every time for 5 minutes.
Yep. Exactly. Yeah, if you missed the trade, don't worry about it. It's a newer trade. It's the pack runner. It's something. It was quick, right? It's okay, right? Don't worry about it. But you had an opportunity here, right, to see that position, and you guys have heard us talking about this position now for a couple weeks here. So today we finally really got an opportunity to impose our will here in the market from there. So yeah, candle closed, but it closed right at support here. So I'm gonna wait because we may pull back for the 4 hours. So at this point, I want to see if the 4 hour can close up here. and give us a wick fill, or are we going to get a breakout, right? Are we going to get an onion or a breakout on the 4-hour time frame, right? That's kind of the question. So we'll just wait on that. Yeah, but just lovely. And that's also a way, gang, that we can take advantage of the previous candle at closing with no bottom wick, right? It kind of washes itself out after you wait for a couple candles sometimes, right? Not all the time. There's specific little nuances like this pack runner that we really need to see before we even think about executing with no bottom wick or something like that, right? So, and again, a lot of volume, right? We're depending on volume there. So there's a lot that goes into it, but we'll continue to talk about it, right? We'll continue to explore this move as it's being added to our playbook.
Yeah.
Should we enter now? No way. No way, Jose. Yeah, so let's mark that up on the spreadsheet here. So that was, what time? I missed the last 2 times. I gotta look back at the stream, but that was at 8:15.
That was 8:20.
8:20, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll mark that 8:20. And we have to add the pack runner here to the playbook. What's today? 16, right? 16, 23. Gold.
We'll have to get like a, here, I can just do it right now. Maybe I'll just make like a little, thing, you know how it looks.
Yeah, how do you add one?
I have no idea. That's a good question.
Who knows how to add one here? There's somebody definitely smart enough.
Press the pencil thing.
No, it doesn't.
You sure? Did you try it?
Yeah, I did it.
Oh,
who knows
go
how
to
add
add another item on the bottom.
one? Where at?
Oh, look at your right.
Yeah, sheet. Oh, add another item?
See what I'm talking about?
Oh, okay.
See that on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pack runner. Sheesh.
Pack
it's
runner.
here. There
Add
it
it
is.
from.
The pack
Yeah,
runner
make sure it's
in
for
the
all of
building.
them.
There it is. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna make a little thingy too.
Holy.
Pack runner.
I guess we should probably space it, right? Will it still fit?
What you think? I mean,
Yeah, we're good. All right, perfect. That was off the 15-minute time frame, full risk. Got about 10 pips there, and then I think I still have the position open, but I would say I closed the, oh no, we got stopped at break even. Perfect. So if this 4-hour candle can now pull back, that's going to be beautiful, because now we can, if we can close, let's get rid of all this real quick. If we can get a closure below here on the 4-hour time frame, then we're going to continue down here today. And that'll make a lot of sense off the daily time frame. So let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. We'll keep an eye on US30 here as well, and then we may be able to get more positions, because listen, this is our target here today, right? This wick fill, that's the daily wick fill right there. That's what we're targeting. So we really want to see the lows break at 1900, like 500-ish, like right around there. We want to see those lows break, and I think a simple closure now below this support will do us right here. Yeah, actually, let's scroll left a little bit, make sure. Yeah, that looks clean. That looks clean. So we'll see. Either we'll take our positions, because if we can get somewhat of like a new 15-minute pack runner situation, then we could do that. Or we can just kind of see, hey, where can the 4-hour candle make this top wick till and then see if we can get fake outs up there. But as of right now, that was the push on gold, the 8 a.m. push. And now the next time volume will come in will be, you know, NYSE open here. Oh. Perfect. All right. Let's see here. Your stream's kind of blurry. Just refresh it on YouTube. Yeah, make sure you're in 1080p. Somebody was watching the stream in like 480p for like 3 weeks. You can get the journal right there. So yeah, it'll be in the chat. Got stopped at BE. Yeah, I think everyone got stopped at BE. Yeah, and look, so all we did was we weren't trying to call the whole move down, right? All we did was we tried to catch the 820 push to retest that support there, right? Because we knew that this candle closed with no bottom wick, right? So if this candle closed with no bottom wick, what do we know about that? We know that candles with no bottom wick, really the next candle really won't last that long. But if you're in a time frame, right, where you have high volume like 820 coming in or 830 coming in or 930, those are the times where volume is going to make those pushes. So one thing we've been observing lately is this 15-minute candle here. A lot of times around 8:15, what's going to happen is there'll be a candle with no top wick. And remember what we said about the 8 a.m. candle? It's very all over the place, right? So we didn't want to enter here. Someone was asking why not enter on the flip. You'll come to realize through experience why we don't like to take this 8 a.m. candle. It's very up and down, very wild. It's like a cowboy. So we wanted to see that high break. We didn't get that high to break, right? So the next 15, what were we saying? Hey, if we can pull up now and fill the wick and make a top wick for this candle, and then come down and re-break the lows, you're going to see a high push. Now, we have to, as we trade this more, we'll get more comfortable with it, but we wanted to at least fill this wick and continue down into that support level. So that's what you've seen happen, right? Price kind of reflipped bearish, drove down, retested that support. I think we closed partials right around this area right here, and then that was the move, right? And then that was the move. So yeah, you'll see us take this position more often because it plays out so well. So now we just wait for the 4 hour here, and it's looking good. It's looking real good. I'm still short. Yeah, if you're still short, I mean, we're probably going to continue down, right? Look at the daily candle. That should give you hopes, right? If you're still in sell positions right now, you are looking good. Looking good. Yeah, the only thing that you have coming up is a new 4 hour top wick. So that's the only thing you have to try and survive. And once that's formed, then it should start to push. Do you have a funded account? How do they pay? Yeah, you gotta. They'll send you an email so you can set up your contract. So you can set up the funded trader you're using. I believe, yeah, they use Deal, so you can use Deal. You can use crypto, whatever it is that you want.
My dumbass should have said they pay pretty good. How do they pay? Pretty good.
Hey, they pay.
As long as they pay, they good. Pack runner, my favorite position now.
I
Nice.
drew up a like a little like a playbook thingy. Here, I'll do one for the bullish as well. I sent it to you over on Discord. Tell me if you like that.
Let me see.
Make it look a little better than I don't have it drawn, but
Create a playbook.
is that not what?
Oh, let me see here. Yeah, it is. Bingo. Perfect. I love that. Yeah, we'll put that in the curriculum and everything. So
Yeah, I'll have to do them for a bullish one.
So me, Sam, and John have been really paying attention to a lot of things and a lot of concepts on ways that we can continue to pull money from the markets, and those are things that we're going to be introducing in the elite program. So all these new concepts, well, not all of them because there's only like 3, but everything that we've been working on, sample sizing, like behind the scenes, is all starting to play out, right? So today we really wanted to introduce this trade to you guys, right? We've introduced it briefly, but I think this is our second time taking this position, but this will be a position we'll look to take more often, and we're going to do a lot of teaching on this and a lot of good stuff. All the new concepts will be coming out with the elite program, and then we'll be introducing them on stream, and you guys are gonna be happy, man. You guys are gonna be happy. Trust me. Hey, phase 2 pass with the pack runner. Let's go, Michael Cook.
Let's go.
W's in the chat from Michael.
Congratulations.
What do we do there?
Hey, we love the pack runner.
Yeah. I closed the rest of it at 20. So 20 and then. All right, good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, nice. Big W, Nick. 383 bucks. Let's go. Let's get it.
There. Beautiful.
What's the challenge at, Nick? Now we're probably up. Yeah, I think we're up now. Yeah, I'm up 1% here now, so back on track. Lovely, lovely.
Yeah, Chad, you guys see, when we take trades with times of volume, when there's times of volume, when we take a trade, gotta be on your feet, right? It's important to be on your feet. Make sure you're quick to manage risk because price is gonna be quick.
Yep.
So in times of volume, just make sure you're on your feet, know what you're doing, right? So everything will be clear.
Yeah. So this is the pack runner, right? This is a simple display of the pack runner right here. Yep. Yeah, we'll continue to explore this opportunity over and over again. Trust me. Does the funded trades get closed automatically? What do you mean? On the copy trader? If you're asking about the copy trader, then yes. Yep. Can't thank you enough, Nick. When I joined when the wins were coming easy. The losses had taught me so much and made me a better trader. I was down 5%, now I'm back up 1. There you go. See, now you guys are thinking, why was I even quaking, right? That's what you're thinking now. What was I worried about? See, I had the experience already in the longer term vision, and a lot of guys in chat were just really I don't even know, like upset that they took a loss or something, right? So, a lot of you guys now are basically coming back up from that. And was it really a big deal? Right? We've taken 20 losses in the entire year. Right? We just happened to take like 4 or 5 of them in July or whatever it was, July, right? And everyone's switching strategies and
everyone quaking,
switching streamers, and it's crazy, man. Crazy. Holy quake.
Staying down to be a trader. Just be clear, make it clear.
Down 4% on my funded account. Any advice? Yeah, just show up tomorrow and look for the next best trade.
Yeah, chat, remember, like, the market is never wrong, right? It's always right. It's us traders who are sometimes wrong and sometimes right. So, like, the odds are stacked against us. So we have a greater responsibility as traders to position ourselves on the right side of the market, right? So when we see things happening over and over again in the charts, that's our opportunity to take advantage of it. So when we see things happen over again, the next day we see it, it's our advantage to take opportunity of it, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, right? And as you're thinking long term, as you continue to trade, you're gonna see things happen over again. You're gonna gather experience and take advantage of that, right? There's no right or wrong in FX. Hey, you're reading the Forex Mindset? That's what's up. That's a great book right there. Great book. Yup, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, and that's why you also can't get offended too, right? You can't get offended with whatever the charts do, right? Because they're always right. So make sure you understand that, right? It's important to understand that. Yes, exactly. Always use your left side of your brain instead of your right. Think logic first. Yup. Left side has logic, right side is emotional. Love it. Hey, you're learning from the Forex Mindset book. That's what's up. Sean, what do you eat after 5 p.m.? Just beef? I'll have some ground beef, some rice, and some eggs. That's usually my dinner. And it doesn't have to be after 5. Yeah, whenever, whenever I want. I just eat once a day. Something slight, Sam.
Something slight.
Something slight.
Little beef.
Beef, little eggs, little rice.
Hey, thank you, Star. Thank you, Star. Appreciate that. Thank you for the kind words.
Hey, appreciate that, Star.
Yeah, that was a quick trade, man. That was quick. I stopped cheating on you.
Yo, he's still on that diet.
Oh, man. Yeah, no more squiggly eyes, gang. No more squiggly eyes. Yeah, no, that was beautiful. That was really nice to see. Very, very proud and happy on the way we handled that, the way we took that trade. It was quick, it was fast, but it did the job, man. Yeah, that was nice, bro, right? That 5-minute candle was the candle that was all we needed, right? That was the only candle we needed right there. So that worked out well. The 4 hour is going to close here pretty soon. So what I want to see is I either want to see the 4 hour candle close, right above this zone here or right below this zone here. If we close, anywhere in the middle, it's gonna be a little challenging here. So if we can close below that support, that would be great. Or pull back and leave a wick fill. That would be lovely too. So we'll see what happens. We got 10 minutes left on this candle, but so far so good. Yeah, look at that. Came right up to the high, never broke it. Pushed down. Those are our stop losses too right there. So yeah, this is a trade that we could potentially even hold on to. Just be prepared to go back and draw down sometimes and hang on to it, because especially when all these time frames add up, like the daily, like if we break this daily low now, this thing is gone, right? This thing is gone. So that's what we have an opportunity here, right? To take advantage of. And we honestly, we could have been in the position since 7:15 here, right? But there was a lot of consolidation on the 30, so I didn't want to. I wanted to see that candle close. And look, we could have been in it at 7:30 here too if we had a bottom wick, but there wasn't an opportunity for us there at 7:30. So, and then there was no opportunity for us at 8, so that's why we had to wait for 8:15, and we needed that pack runner play. We got it, and then that was our trade. And now we're just continuing to run. And there go the daily lows. Lovely. Or no, this is the daily low right here. Yeah, so if we break these daily lows, pull back a little for the 4 hour, we're going to look to take more positions from 1901 down here to 1896 for that daily wick fill. Just wait on it.
Wait on it.
Update. Oh, yeah, there go the daily lows right there. Lovely, lovely. So now if we could pull back, that's going to be perfect. So we break the daily lows. We pull back now on the 4 hour. Once we re-break that low, goner. Goner. Like Sam, I'm gone.
Yeah, you might hear that today.
Yeah, that was big. We broke those lows now. Broke the lows in the last 8 minutes of the 4 hour candle. Now all we need is a pullback on the 4 hour and then our top wick, and then we're good to go. Live or recorded? Oh no, this is a recorded stream. This one isn't live.
Yeah, Daniel, grass-fed ground beef all day. All day, brother.
Yeah. I'm not even here right now. Yeah, I'm not even. Yeah. It's scripted and pre-recorded. The chat is recorded.
We're all
too.
dreaming.
Your comment was pre-recorded as well. Yeah, like John said, you're currently in a dream right now. Yeah, you're in a dream. Wake up. You're not here. Sam snooped us yesterday with the I'm gone. He
That's a
said,
little trolling.
He's like, I ain't even gonna do it today. And then he was just gone.
I actually said, what did I say? It
Yeah,
it
that
felt
was
so
mad
weird
funny.
saying it. I accidentally clicked leave though before I was like, see ya or something like that.
Yeah.
You said I know what you guys are waiting for, but I'm not doing it, and then you just hung up.
Yeah, I know. I meant to say see ya, but I accidentally clicked the button
Heard.
to leave.
This one's recorded. Are you streaming FOMC? Yeah, we always stream FOMC, but today, this afternoon, it's not the FOMC you're thinking of. Yeah, these are just little meetings going on. There's no press conference with Powell or anything like that. Yeah, this was lovely. So we broke the lows there in the last 10 minutes of the 4 hour, and now we're going to pull back very nicely here. So when we re-break the lows, this thing is going to be a goner, man. I think I would love to see a 30-minute celery play here today. Set up so lovely. Lovely, lovely. Nick is a robot. I'm time traveling right now. Yeah. Yeah, 4 hour on US30 is going to close up shop too, so looks like we may have a breakout here. Clean traffic here on US30 today. Oh, nice. Just bought my first magic keys. I got to say it's a pretty good tool. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Can we see your settings? Yeah. Magic keys. No trips this week? Yeah, me and my wife are going on a trip later on this week. Yeah, it's gonna be her birthday this weekend, so we're going away for the weekend. But yeah, the only thing I've really changed here is I use fixed lots and I use my whatever lot size, and the only thing I changed was position, a percentage of position to close when closing custom. I put 90. And then this is custom close, which is 92. Should I move stop loss to BE when partial TP hit? I put true. So I was thinking about using that partial TP line today, but everything happened so quick. Next trade. Oh wow, look at this 4 hour pulling back here. That's about it. That's really all I've changed. Oh no, I'll be streaming every day. Yeah, I'll be streaming. I'm gonna leave Friday morning after the stream. Yeah. The stream won't get affected at all. The stream is top priority.
See that?
Second time watching your stream, we trade so similar. Oh, nice. Thomas O'Malley Alley Cat. Thomas O'Malley Alley Cat. I like that. Nice name, man. Hey, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, if you can subscribe to the channel and like the stream, that'd be great. If you feel like you've gotten any value today or learned anything here today or made some money today, just sub to the channel and like the stream for us, man. We're excited about getting to 15,000 subs here. So if you can help me out with that and help the community out with that, that'd be great. And then you just show up here every day and we'll help you out with the rest. And then look, for some reason I just love watching the stream. We trade nothing alike. It's just positive vibe and environment. Thanks, man. Thanks, Mike Lang. Shout out to Mike. Glad you're enjoying the stream, bro. Thomas O'Malley is the coolest cat ever. Are you coming back at 1? No. Nope. How often do you guys stream on YouTube? We stream every day, Monday through Friday. So we start at 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, Eastern Standard. So we got 2 minutes for the 4 hour closure here. Looks good on US30. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, we want to make a decision here. We already broke the daily lows, so I don't see why this candle wouldn't close below here. Look at US30. I already know where we're at. We still have time, right? We got 2 more minutes. Candle's still open. We need to wait for this candle to close here. We also need to wait for the next candle to open up and create a top wick here for us. Yo, Nick, I'm here. Tori Butler. What up, Tori? What up, Tori? Tori? Hello, Tori? Hello? Is that you? Green. Talk to me, Green. Yeah, what up, Tori? My guy. That's good, bro.
Check out this US30 close.
W for Tori. Worry in the building. Hello. Yes, sir. All right. So we got this 4 hour closure here in 10 seconds, man. We got clean traffic coming down. Let me just take a look here. Yeah, gang. We're looking good. We're looking good. Yeah, let's wait for this candle to close. We need a top wick here. So we start getting a top wick. I said we wait. Let's wait like 5 or 15 minutes here, and let's see what we get in terms of our top wick. And gold, oh, gold no bottom wick here. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we're good. Gang, we're good on both pairs here. So let's wait. Let's wait here. Look at this 30-minute, right? 30-minute close below. If we can get a celery play, that would just be incredible, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, whoa. Chill out.
Or 15-minute celery.
Yeah, 15-minute celery. Boom, close below. We've got clean traffic coming down to fill this wick. That's the daily wick fill right there. Don't jump on these sells just yet, gang. Just relax for a minute. Just relax. Yeah, both of these pairs are probably gonna run here. So let's wait. We never enter at 9 a.m. Never. We always wait for a 5, 15, or a 30 to close. Tori's my ex's name. US30. Yeah, look at this daily. Daily time frames got room, man.
Dude, every time I see like some crazy clean ranges, I'm always thinking like back in my head like, yo, imagine like some crazy news event just happens like real time right now.
Word. 200 plus pip move.
200 plus. We're coming downtown.
Little 200 lot play coming up.
200 lots on this one.
Celery equals full margin.
Something slight.
Yeah. Lovely top wick here. Lovely. Y'all smell it? Hey, thanks, Sam.
Smell
Look
it.
what Sam made for us here. Just a preview of the pack runner.
I'll send that over. Let me see.
Run that pack, son. Run that pack. Yeah, man. This is
Hey.
clean.
Oh, I put it in a Discord too in the
Okay,
New York
cool,
session.
cool. Yeah, this
I'll
is
send
clean.
it over to you too, Jones. So you can have it.
We'll talk more about this. Just keep showing up. Keep showing up. We'll be talking more about that play. I've been milking the market. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at this. This is perfect. This is where I wanted the top wick. Right up into that support level. Lovely. Yo, Nick, how much is the elite program gonna be? So we're still talking about that. I personally want to make it so there's so much value, right? So I don't want to diminish the value, because the value is gonna be ridiculous. Like we were talking about a certain number, I may go down to a little bit of a lower number. So I'll let you guys know, because I want to make it fair and affordable for those that really are hungry for it. But I also want to make sure it's, you know, you're investing into the value, right? And there's a lot of coaches coming in and going to be doing some teaching. So, you know, I want to make it good for everybody. So we'll keep you posted on that once we release it and once we get a price in stone. When am I opening signals? Signals, we'll probably open those up next week. Yeah, we're going to open the signals room back up next week. And we're probably going to run a promo too. I think we're going to do 2 months free like we did last time. You're not that guy. All right, lovely, lovely. Let's see how the 15 closes here on both pairs. We got like 9 minutes here. 9 minutes, chat. Get ready. Selling US30? Yeah, possibly. Yep. Yeah, we may have a 15-minute sell replay here on the Dow. Yep, sell stops will be on the break of the low after that candle closes. Does the signals payment renew every month? No, you'll get an email and then you can manually renew it if you like. 1K like in 9 minutes. Can we get there, chat? Oh, we're almost there. Hey, chat, I don't think we've had 1K likes in like a couple days. What's going on, man? What's going on? Sam, what's up with chat?
Dude, I don't know, bro. Chat.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Look, the like button's right there. Right in front of you. Right in front of you.
One like, please, please. Yeah, that's it. So stingy. They say
beg
no trade, no like. We had a win. We had a win.
Yeah, but I stepped away.
1,000
I
likes
didn't-
used to
I
be
didn't
late
take that
rate
one.
for this chat.
Yo, 1,000 likes used to be done, man. Yeah, that was done by like it was before 9, right? Yeah, we were getting that done before 9. So, come on, chat, like the stream up.
Now it's after 9.
You know you want to. You know you want to. US30.
Imagine gold picks up back-to-back packs off the 15.
Back to back.
It picks up the pack off
Back
the
to
15
back.
and then flips back. Yeah, that would be crazy.
That would actually be nice, dude. If we can close bullish with no top wick here, and then have the next candle come up,
And then do it again.
break the highs, and then break these lows.
Yeah. Or like I was just saying,
9:30
like, even
this
if
time.
like this 15 breaks the highs and then flips, comes back down and flips, like.
Yeah. Yup. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm ready.
See.
Oh, 994 likes. Can we get 6 more? You can help a lonely trader out there who's trading all by himself with no live stream to tap into. Just like you were once a lonely trader, and then you have found this stream, got yourself funded, and became financially independent. Another lonely trader out there is just like you, in need of help. And there it is, 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes. Thanks, guys. Look at that. Was a teamwork. Great job, mods. Way to moderate this thing, man. Way to moderate it.
Whoop,
W. Dubs. Update the record. Yeah, let's update the record. Hey, win number 78 on the year. 78. Creeping on 80 wins here.
Creeping.
Oh yeah. $100 wins giveaway.
I gotta redo that thingy now. I'm looking at it because it's like I drew both those candles without having bottom wicks, but it's like it could still have like usually it's like if it has a little one or none.
Yeah,
the
that's
pack
true.
runner. Like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
body
Yeah.
of the candle, yeah.
A lot of times it
Which
has
is-
like
even
a
if it's like
little
small.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a most of
Yeah,
the time it is just like
we-
a little like nub.
Yep. Yeah, like kind of like
We see now the little one too.
that little guy right
Yeah.
there. Yeah, if you guys look up here, you had another pack runner.
Yeah,
up
point
here.
that one out.
Price drove up, broke the highs, and then came back down. All right, lovely. 4 hour making a nice top wick here. Same thing with the Dow, right? Yeah.
What time was that? Yo.
We know we have volume coming in here in about 5 minutes. About 20 minutes, you're going to see a lot of volume dumping in.
We get that celery on the 15, I think.
Adding value to our lives. Fireman, I appreciate you, bro. Hey, I appreciate you coming by. Appreciate you coming by. Are you in a trade right now? No, we're not in a trade right now. Would you recommend funding or investing your own money? So I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on that. I think in the beginning, I would say if you don't have like a lot of money, then go ahead and get yourself like a small funded account, learn on that. But if you got some money to play with, I think you should get some skin in the game with some live capital and lose a bit, right? Because I was thinking about something, right? People who only do funding challenges, they never really lose money, like big money, right? So sometimes as a trader, you kind of have to go through a little bit of, especially as a new trader, right? It's not that bad to lose a couple bucks and get that feeling. So what that'll do is that'll kind of whip you into shape to basically pay attention to your playbook more often, right? And if you're just taking, you know, $40 5K challenge accounts, you may not take it as serious as investing like 20 grand and messing that thing up, being whipped into shape, right? And knowing that, hey, if I don't stick to a plan, I'm gonna blow my money again, right? So I don't think it's a fine line, right? I think it's good because you can buy these challenge accounts and not have to go through that. But I also think at the end of the day, there's nothing wrong with going through that and experiencing that loss in the markets, because that'll shape you up and mature you up, hopefully, to start to be disciplined to a plan. And then as you become disciplined to the plan, then you'll start making money. So yeah, I think both ways are good, but I do like the little bit of a sting, right? A little bit of a sting, right? Sometimes you got to get punched in the face to really figure out how to fight. So same thing in the markets. Yeah, you got to go through some pain, man. Even like my kids, you know, like I don't let these guys, you know, when they're climbing and stuff, and you know they're young, so I'll let them kind of trial and error a little bit, and you know they're not gonna get seriously hurt, but I'll let them fall down, right? I'll let them taste defeat a little bit and just encourage them to get back up and keep going. You know, we could learn a lot from the little kids, man. We could learn a lot.
Thanks.
No pain, no gain. Yep, there you go. No pain, no gain. No gain. How to create your own trading playbook. You show up to the markets every single day, day in and day out. You look for familiar candlestick patterns or price action patterns. You test them over the course of a couple months. You sample size them. You figure out, hey, 8 out of 10 times they work out. 6 out of 10 times they work out, right? You figure out that number. If that number is good enough for you to be profitable, you have that sample size data, and now you come to the charts every day and you trade those patterns, and then that becomes your playbook. All right, look at this. We got 15-minute closure coming up here. We're going to have most likely sell stops on the break of the lows here. Yeah, right around 1946.
Yeah, I like this.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Sheesh. Yeah, I want to see a little bit of a top wick there. Oh. Yeah, whoever got in got some slippage. I know that. 19.
Reds are a little high too.
This we may want to wait for 30 minutes.
9:45. Oh yeah, 30.
Yeah, a lot of slippage there.
Damn, that was.
There goes our top wick down. So perfect. Stop loss. So stops will probably be. We're gonna wait for the 30. Yeah, if we can get the 30 close, that'll be nice.
And what was that?
That I think there was a little bit of news that came out, right?
Is there an
just-
orange folder?
Yeah, 9:15. Yeah. Yep.
Orange
So-
folder.
Yeah, so 8:30 should be the
Word.
play here. Hey, we got over 2,000. What up, all 2,000 of you guys here today? Welcome to the stream.
Shout out y'all put in the work today. What's
Yeah.
up?
Yep, 30 minutes gonna be the play here.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at US30 here. Yeah, see nothing on the Dow yet either. That's why I'd much rather wait for 9:30. We already got a beautiful trade here today. We're gonna wait here for 9:30. That's gonna give us the best confirmation, and that'll bring the volume in too. All right, we got that little pack runner again there. So just wait on it. Come on, guys. Like. Hey, yeah, if you haven't liked the stream and subbed to the channel, go do those two things right now while we wait for 9:30 here. Are you still going to continue the New York session stream when you start London? Yeah. Yeah, John's going to be running the London session mainly. So I'll be on there here and there, but John will be running it for the most part.
There will be running up.
Yeah, 2,000 watching, nice. We are getting growth. Good community, Nick. Thanks, brother. Oh yeah, thanks, Star. Appreciate that. I know they get me up and let the greatest. What are we looking at for gold right now? We're gonna wait on 9:30 here. So yeah, we got 9:30 coming in. NYSE open. I think we're gonna mess around, dilly dally, whatever you want to call it here for the next couple minutes, and then we'll see once 9:30 comes where this candle closes. And then we'll look to take positions here. If it can close below, that means we got another 15-minute pack runner, right? So we've broken the high. If we can close below now, that'd be great. Oh, my little man's up. I hear him. He's screaming like Tarzan. Yeah, stop as of right now. So let me set this up for you guys. So as of right now, stops it'll be. So we're waiting for the 30-minute candle to close, right? Everyone knows that. We got 11 minutes. It says it right here. Our stops are going to be about 1903.082, right above this high here, and our TP is going to be down here at this wick fill, right, which is about 40 pip move, 30 to 40 pip move we could expect to see. So that's going to be the TP is going to be down there. Stops are going to be above wherever this candle high is, and then depending on how this candle closes, right back in the range, we want to see this candle close below, and then we may have to wait for entries on the break of this low here, which is not bad anyway. It's about a 30 pip range coming down. So let's see how this candle closes up, and then we'll look to see if we're coming down or if we're going to close back in the range here. Do you have an open trade right now? No. Nope. No open trades right now. No open trades.
I was asking about London. London's gonna start mid-October. This time session we'll be trading will be from about 1:30 a.m. Eastern to 4:30 a.m. Eastern. Those asking in the chat, I see y'all.
Yeah, that'll be a good session too. I'm sure you'll have a lot of guests
hell
pop
yeah,
in
bro.
and out.
We're gonna, for sure, I'm gonna run it up,
Yes,
and it's
sir.
gonna be a vibe.
Where does this daily candle want to go? That's the question, right? Where will the daily go? And this low here, so this low that price just made on the 15, that's the daily low. So I think that's going to be our best entry, right? Because if we don't break that daily low, then we could just continue pushing up or even consolidating, right? So we really need to see that low break. And then I think if we break the daily low, we can come down and fill this wick, potentially fill this wick to the left. So yeah, this wick over here will probably be our full target right here. And then this is where we'll close partials, right at that wick fill. So sells below. You waited for the 15, but suddenly you changed to the 30. May I know the reason? Yeah, the 15-minute candle closed bullish. We were gonna potentially have sell stops and a break of the lows, but I wanted to wait for a top wick, right? This candle opened up, drove down right away. So we couldn't do anything there. Now price is creating that top wick. So we just, said we'll hold off, wait for the 30. Wait for the 30, because as long as this high right here respects the previous high up there, then at any point this candle can reflip and push down, right? And that's the higher time frame direction. 4 hour, daily, 1 hour, right? 30-minute and 15-minute still closed below as well. So everything is pointing down for right now. Things could change momentarily at this 30-minute closure, but as of right now, everything looks pretty good to continue down. Just wait on it. $18.93. Oh my God. Can't believe we're talking about 1800s again here, boys.
I know.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I know why.
I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like we've been in 1900s for a long time.
Yeah, we have.
Compared to like how fast we came
About
up.
to get.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's see if it happens here. Stops are getting pretty tight. We may have to wait for 9:45 on the 15, right? If we can get something like this where price comes up, comes up to this high, rejects it, closes a little bit above still. What we could do then is we could just wait for the fake out, right? So we could wait for the next candle to close back below the range, and then we could take our positions at the break of the low, which is also the flip of the 4-hour candle. And then right around this, 1897 mark, we'll go break even, and then see if we can fill that next wick down there. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm not taking buys. I'm not taking buys until 1907 here, or probably even, like 1908. Yeah, I don't really care for these buys here. In 15-minute seller play scenarios, you wait for liquidity wick, because in 30 minutes seller usually you're not waiting. Yes, because because the next 30 minute, well, the 9:30 is going to bring in a lot of volume. So sometimes we don't necessarily need to wait for a top wick on that candle, but if we are taking it at, let's say, a 9:15 like we were thinking about, then we definitely need a top wick.
That's before 9:30. Give me mine. Why don't we trade with patterns? We trade with our playbook. Those are patterns.
It's the pack runner pattern.
Yeah.
We're back on track. We're running. All right, let's see. Oh, let me move these guys back up here. $19.90 could be hard to break. Yeah, it could be. Yep. Definitely. Yeah, we need a top wick on US30, right? 15-minute had no top wick. We're just still waiting. If we can, maybe we may get a pack runner here on US30. That'd be cool. Right, next candle needs to come up. Give this thing a high. And then we could take positions here. Something like that. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Yeah, if this candle can close, so I like how we're still remaining below this range, right? So if this candle can close up and then the next candle can give it a bottom wick, because we already broke the lows here, right? So price is ready to go down. Now it's just about timing it right. So if we can time this thing right with what I believe a pack runner is a good confluence there, then we could enter, you know, off of this flip or the break of the current low or something like that, and then continue down here on the Dow here. So we'll see what happens. That'll also be like a 30-minute celery play. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's pushing up now. US30. Yeah, gold pumping up. Gold may have had a pack runner to the downside. All right, we got 1 minute here for a closure. So let's see what happens here on US30 and then also on gold. Where's Maverick? Maverick's in the other room. He's like, I'm up. All right, lovely. So we never made a top wick. Perfect. All right, cool. Look at that. So we got a top wick there for the previous candle. I still think entries on the break of the low are probably best right now. Yeah, I mean, we're seeing something very similar to what we've seen, but yeah, that's a little bit steeper than I wanted it. So let's see. I think it's best to wait for a resistance to form here. But I really like how this 5 has no top wick there. But we got to wait on this. And then gold may push up now. We are in this rejection area. I'm not going to take any buys here. If you notice, we're still closing below this level here. So I'm not going to touch buys here at all. We got 3 rejections, so yeah. Not going to touch that. I'm just going to wait for another candle here. So if this 15-minute candle can close bearish, very similar to our trade like a day or two ago, right? Where this 15 closes bearish, then what we can do is we can take our sells from here, coming down. For the second half of 9:30, we'll keep our stops above these highs here. Yeah, entry would be like here or like right around here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just wait on it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at that. Holy. Gold is still looking pretty good, though. Yeah, if we can get a fake out here on the 15, that's going to be our call right there. Yeah, a lot of resistance in this area. So, yeah, we just need to wait. If we get that resistance, we'll look to take positions coming back down. Socks, cap, all good? Yeah, I think so.
Perfect.
Just put entry on sell. It could all be that easy. If it could only be that easy, right, gang? Just hit sell. Your entry is my exit. Oh, look at this. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Very nice. Looks good. Does my Forex phone have one phase? No, they have two. 2 phases. Two phases. Alright, this is good. GJ? Yeah, we'll check GJ. Yeah, you gotta wait for a candle to close above here. I think that'll be good. Is this, yeah, it's the same range we've been in, or yeah. Yeah, we're just trading in the same range here. Not much happening. You gotta, if you get a closure outside of the range, then yeah, you got a position, but until then, you got nothing. Nothing. Gold, though. I would love to take sells from up here on gold. Brother. All right, looking lovely. US30 just destroyed all sellers. Yeah, that's why we didn't want to sell US30 in the first couple minutes of the candle, right? That's why. You're not that guy. You're not that guy, man.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
You're just not.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that
You're not
guy.
that guy.
Should grab liquidity for us. Yeah. this is looking clean though. Right back to where we started. Right, this is where our entries were the last time. So if we can get this 15 to close, then we'll look to take positions again right here. I am that guy. My Forex funds froze up. Nope, I'm good. Mine's moving.
Mine's chilling.
This stream makes my mornings all the time. Hey, happy we can make your morning. Glad you're enjoying the stream. Gold just stopped moving. Yeah, that's all. I think price is just not moving, gang. That's all it is. It's frozen. Oh, yo, I think you guys are right. I think y'all are right. What is going on there? Let's take a look at the funded trader. These boys better tighten up.
Bro.
Funded trader looks good. Hey, yo, gold. Goldie, Goldie. Interesting. Made another mistake today. Unnecessary loss. We learn and move on. That's all, Mike. That's all we could do. Yours is not moving. Yeah, facts. Oh, there it goes. It must have been stuck.
Refresh it.
What's up with you, B? Oh, we're breaking through these wicks here now. Wow. 4-hour fake out? Yeah, maybe.
We'll see.
Maybe. As long as we respect that high, though, this is still good money to continue down.
4 hour. Oh, coming from the 4-hour highs.
Yeah, what happened to US30, man? I don't know what went down. Gold and US30 both pumping here. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ, too. Selling off, or it did sell off. Yeah, not much happening there. Well, let's see. If we respect the 4-hour highs here, we'll continue down. We should be good to continue selling off. Grabbing some liquidity here at the NYSE Open. Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be BRB. BRB. Who knows about that? Or are you too young?
BRB.
Oh, you know about that too?
Of course,
BRB.
What am I, dumbass?
G2G. No. Shout out to all the 90s kids, bro, who made up all this stuff, man. G2G, BRB.
Yeah, but
what else do we use to
everyone
say?
knows those type of things, bro.
That's cause we put y'all on. That's why. Right?
Oh, but we still know.
G2G. Got to go.
It's not we don't know it.
Do you know about away messages?
Away messages?
Come on, man. Hey, chat. Put this youngin' on with an AOL AIM away message real quick. Let him know what's good. I'll be
I can
right
figure
back.
it out with my intelligent mind.
Google it.
I know, right? ASAP. Yo, chat, what's good? How you guys doing? Oh, damn, this chat moving. Is there going to be 2 streams today? No, there will not be. The FOMC you're thinking about is not the FOMC that we're thinking about. Hey, what's good, Chad? Johnny Boy Young Blow, what's good, Rapid? Yeah. US30 went crazy. Yup. That did. Red FX Austin was good. John, need those gems today. Hey, chat. Focus on being persistent. Focus on having persistence in your life, right? Without that, you can't get anywhere. Hey, yo, Nick. Nick did. Yup, Nick went to go pick up that pack. Like Sam said. John, bro, how many months have you been learning? Nick showed me Swaggy's course in late 2020. And then I'd say 2021 was when I started learning about Raja and I started learning about price action and what we do now pretty much. So 2021. So I'd say for about like 2 years or so. How many days does it take to create a playbook? It's gonna take more than days, brother. It's gonna take months on months of sample size and data, you know, of what you see, right? Gathering experience of what you see price action doing in the charts, right? It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take seeing things over and over again in the charts. What percentage do you average per month? About 5 to 10%. Some are higher, some are lower. All depends on the month. But an average is 5 to 10%. Yeah. Yeah, red effects, but persistence, right? Need that. Hey, much love to you, George. It's hard to create a playbook when you have a job as well. I feel you, bro, but don't have excuses, right? Don't let your limitations be self-imposed, right? There's always a way. There's always a way out. So everyone can make excuses, right? Just find that way out. There's always a way.
Find a way to win.
Yeah.
It's hot in that room.
And the reason I say persistent, right, is because things get tough, right? Life gets tough. Everyone wants to be great in life, but life gets tough and you need to have persistence, right? You need to remember why you're doing that. Remember your why and keep going, right? Don't feed into trial and error, right? Know that every trial and error brings you closer actually to your success, right? Each failure brings an equivalent success. So keep that in mind.
One more message and you'll be gone. Yo, Shiro's a savage, bro. Hey, don't mess with these mods, man. Don't mess with the mods. US30 going crazy. Create your own playbook or piggyback on someone else's. You could do both. Yeah, do both. That's what I did. I kind of looked at other traders, seen what they were doing, what worked for them, tested it out for me, found the things that worked for me and used them, and whatever didn't, I just kind of threw out, you know. So you'll kind of base your playbook off of someone else, and then you'll start to, you know, through your own experience, kind of tweak it and adjust it and, you know, make it the way that fits you best. You got a TikTok? TikTok? No, sir. Nah, I don't have a TikTok. Should I get a TikTok, chat? Should I get a TikTok?
Definitely not.
Keep thinking positive. It becomes a habit. If you're gonna think, you're going to succeed. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, your thoughts are literally seeds, man. There's seeds that you're planting in your own mind, right? So make sure you're planting the right seeds. Right? What you plant will grow. You can't plant apple seeds and expect cherries to come up, right? You can't think negative and expect to be positive. It just doesn't.
Yep.
It's like water and oil.
Yep. The mind, like the land, right? It doesn't care what you plant in it. It will return what you plant in it. Doesn't care. So make sure you're planting those good seeds. It's going to return in your life. That's why it's important we keep positive thoughts and while we're trading during the session, right? So we have a positive outcome. John,
Yeah,
how old are
Gary.
you? 18.
18. Yeah, I'll listen to Gary V on the TikTok stuff a little bit more. Yeah, I'll start posting more. I'll start throwing some new posts up. Okay, Logan Paul. Who needs TikTok? Psst. Yeah, nah, TikTok will get you that will get our views out
He's
to
like,
a
"What?"
lot of people. A lot of people. I love Gary Vee. He's like, "Are you on TikTok? Are you on TikTok? You need to be posting content."
Thanks. John, you going back to school later this year? Definitely not. I just finished high school.
How long
So-
has John been trading? This dude's 18. John's been trading since you were what age?
16? Well, I was
16.
15 when I got introduced, but I started taking it serious at 16.
Yes, sir. John's the only school John's going to is the school of life.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you thought while I was in school, I was listening to what they were saying?
John was
I
trading
listening.
in school.
Yeah. Exactly.
If you guys go back to some of our earlier streams, like before, when did you graduate? June?
June, yeah.
Yeah, if you go back to some of our earlier streams, you'll see John in class on Zoom.
Yeah. Yeah. No, brother. I'm not in school anymore.
No more school. Holy, look at this thing. 15-minute rocket ship, huh? Yeah. Look at this thing. Pump. John should become an engineer.
You should become an engineer.
Will you help us telling when to buy and sell? Yeah, we'll help you out. Hey, yo, David. Come on. Sam. Yeah, so there you go. So now you know you don't have to be a certain age or X this or that, right? You just got to get it. Once you get it, once you got the playbook, you can run with it from that point forward. Doesn't matter if you're 18 or 81.
Once you understand that you have authority over your mind, that's when you'll start to get places in life. But you gotta understand that. Conquer yourself, right? Don't be conquered by self. Yo, they need to read chat. You need to read Out with the Devil.
If it drives, it drives. Tell your age, Shiro. Oh, what's Shiro's age? Whose birthday is it today? Got me sells at 820. Yeah, same here. Same here, Don Juan. Don Juan. Don Juan.
Yes.
Shiro. Shiro don't reveal age. Yeah, there you go. Market's waiting for you to buy. Yeah, US30 pumped up here. If you get a 30-minute closure back below here, 1 hour closure, I think it's pretty nice to come up, fill the wick. Z Gamer. Z Gamer's in the house.
Gamer.
You done with
Shiro
GJ?
ain't admitted nothing.
Yeah, GJ hasn't done much. Hasn't done much here lately. Wow, so we've officially broken. How about gold? Did we break the 4-hour highs? No, not yet. We didn't break the 4-hour highs here yet. My B-day was this past Saturday. Happy belated. Happy belated, bro. Ty Lopez selling your YouTube course. Pack runner. Yeah, got a little boring here after NY Open, huh? Probably started to just consolidate a bit on these lower time frames. Not do much. Yeah, we don't want to take buys here because you had a resistance right there. These buys, not really interested in buys too much here on gold today. Yeah, we may get a fake out though. See the support here on gold? If we may get a celery play or a fake out here at the daily closure. So that'll be exciting to see. But yeah, I'll take my buys going up above 1906. I think that was our original plan from this morning, right? Or was it 1907?
1907. That's where I got my buys.
Yeah, I'm sticking with what
That's
I
the
had.
break of the 4-hour highs.
Yeah, this morning. Is this a fake out on US30? Let's see. Which one? This one down here? Yeah, that looks like a fake out to me. Yep. Yeah, everyone wanted to rush the gun there on US30, man. Telling you, that's why we don't like doing that. Yeah, a lot of people got activated on this break of the low there. And then boom, right back up. Thing shot. Joe.
Yeah, Joe.
Fake outs everywhere, yeah.
So true, Joe.
Hey, what up, Unique? Made a small bag
Unique.
on gold, a little light something, something. Do your thing,
Something
do your
light.
thing. Made a little light some. Hitman's got him. Hitman's got who? Who's the hitman got? Nick, we love you. Hey, I love y'all. No need to use stop loss. Can you explain why you did not enter on the break of the low? Which one, bro? Are you talking about US30 earlier? If you're talking about US30 earlier, I wanted to see a 15-minute candle close there. So I wanted to see that candle close and come up, break the high, and then break the lows, but that never happened. But here comes gold coming on back down. Lovely. Is green here? Green is definitely here somewhere. There he is. Always. He lives here. What up, FB? FB. What's good, Daniel? You already know green's here. Bro chose to be quiet because he's eating. That man's always eating something good. Greenery's always eating something good. Is Hollow still here? Remember we used to get them boneless spare ribs, boy. Them boneless. Me, Green, and Hollow would eat those boneless spare ribs all the time, man. Back in the day. Fire. I want to fly to New York right now to get some. Those chicken wings at the Chinese spot. Woo! Them joints hit different. And green is Nick. When did you say you're coming to Kenya? Oh, I don't know. Maybe soon. Hey, if this candle gets, if we get some sort of closures below, we may be interested here. 10 a.m. 1 hour closing back below the range here. We like to troll. Yeah.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Little trolling. Chicken wings from the Chinese spot hit different. Very true.
Yo, is that who put you on?
Yeah, Green put me on. Green
ribs?
put me on. Yep. Green put me on.
Yo.
Green did it. Green did.
Green, thank you, bro. You put me on too. Them joints be slapping.
See how far your impact goes, Green? Look at that. Look at that. Yo, never had chicken. Stop. What, pork fried rice?
Bro, excuse me?
You're a cool guy, Nick, but mix up the music a tad. I'm good, man. I'll just let the music rock. The music's not the important thing here. Right? The music's just some background music. All right, I guess no closure there for gold.
Yeah, Sam.
Yeah, New York Chinese food's different. All right, 1 hour
Be New
candles
York,
closing. Yeah, John's about to be in New York. You better hit that up for me.
I'm gonna definitely know.
We have chickens as pets. That's right. I forgot about that. How to prevent from being faked out in the daily buys? You can go. We have a video on that on the channel. Go to type in range 1. Yeah, I think range 1, right? Yeah, exclamation point range 1, I believe. There it is, range 1, range 2. Yep. Unique, that's actually pretty funny.
Yeah.
Gotta get them chicken wings, man. All right. Here is the new hourly candle closure here. And to be honest, I am not interested in these buys whatsoever. Not interested. 15 closed bearish, which is pretty nice.
I have no reasons to take a buy here.
No, no reason at all. Hope I haven't missed any trades. No, you haven't. Well, maybe you did, depending on when you got here. I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
I forgot. We already took a trade today.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time, Nick. I'm off to bed. Had a profitable day. All right. Sleep good with that profit. Yeah, sells look good here. If we can get a 30-minute close back in the range or a 15-minute close below that range there, then I'll probably be open to taking more sells here. We're right back where we took our trade earlier. Right back in this range here, so wouldn't be bad. Yeah, a 30 closure back below the range would probably be our best bet here. Yeah. That means we got a 30-minute fake out, and yeah, that should be pretty clean. Happy Wednesday. BRB? Alright, man. Just finished Outwitting the Devil. Such a great book. Highly encourage all traders to read it. Oh, yeah. See, now you're a different
Good
person.
job.
You're
Oh,
a
yeah.
totally different person now from the time you open that book, right? Crazy, crazy.
You're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it.
That's heavy book, too.
Pretty deep. Too.
And that's why we stress so much about the thoughts of the mind, right? And not being a drifter, because it's real. It's real stuff. What book was that? Outwitting the Devil. Yeah, I got it back there. It's a great book. Great book.
Everyone's need to read that at least once.
Can confirm. I am the book. Yeah, Napoleon Hill. All right, beautiful. That activated buyers now. So can we close below the range? That's what we want to see, because all buyers now have been activated. Lovely.
And those taking buys, remember, we're bearish. Bearish for the day.
Yep. New buyers. Someone has the PDF version of that book? Oh, I don't, but maybe. I would go pick up the copy, the physical copy. Holding that thing is like holding like some sort of power. This thing right here got power in it, bro. Woo! I can
The
feel
heavy
it.
book.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's got power. Hold on, I just
real
opened up
does.
to a random page. Let me just read what I got highlighted. Be definite in everything you do and never leave unfinished thoughts in your mind. Form the habit of reaching definite decisions on all subjects. Yeah, I got a lot of highlights in this
Yeesh.
book, man.
A lot of gems in that book.
This book is insane. They wouldn't even allow this
I'm about to
dude
read that
to
again.
release this book. Like his wife, this went so much against the elites and the powers that be, that even his wife was like, you are not releasing this until after I'm dead. They'll literally come after our family. Yeah, this book was awesome. Amazing book. Dum, dum. Are we giving the buyers hope here to pump up, or are we, what are we doing? What is the book name? Outwitting the Devil. Outwitting the Devil, right there. We're just gonna range, we're gonna range, we're gonna range, we're gonna range. Possibly, yeah. US30 ain't too bad, but yeah, this ain't bad on the 30-minute here. 30-minute breakout on US30. Broke all the 4-hour highs. Daily's flipping bullish. When is the 30-minute closing here? In 20 minutes? Yeah, we'll see about that. Gold pumping up. You missed a buy on GJ? They didn't believe in us. Nick, I'm down 5% in my funding. I have been down since the beginning of the month. I don't know what to do. Just show up tomorrow and look for the next best trade.
Go.
Playbook was really good. More in depth, like, yeah, the time frames. Yeah, I have a video dropping too about top-down analysis, so you guys can put those together, and I think that'll be really, really good. If there's no, if there are no previous resistance support to your next TP, what you gonna do? What do you mean? Hey, yo, shout out to you guys, man. Anthony Williams, he reached out and he's like, yo, everyone wants me to do a podcast with you. You down? So yo, if that story's still up, if you guys could all go to his story and just be like, Nick Stewart from Time to Eat Trading. That's gonna put us on the map. Let's see, is it still up? He said, who should I interview? Oh yeah, no, it's down now. Yeah, you guys pulled up. The community pulled up.
Hold up.
Yeah, bro, did it. We lost today? Who's we? Who's we?
Speaking French.
Who's we? Anthony, who's we? There you go, C4. Remember, everyone's got unlimited times on their challenge. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. Woo!
Seriously.
I like that.
Seriously though, now the account's like legit yours.
Yes, sir.
Now you can really treat it like that.
If you're a real trader, then you shouldn't have any issue now. Yeah, nah, thanks, y'all. I appreciate that, man. He messaged me right away. He messaged me right away. He's like, yo, everyone wants me to interview you. I'm like, let's lock it in, bro. Let's lock it up. Where to next? I may even fly out to Scottsdale for that one. Go do like some in-person if he's down. I'll take the whole family. Go take a little Scottsdale trip. Entered 15-minute celery on gold and lost. Is there anything I could have done better? If you can put that in the charts for stream, just show us where you entered, and we'll take a look at it. I'll open it up on this display first, though. Hey, gang, that was some disrespectful-ish that happened yesterday, man. I'm sorry. Some of y'all had kids on the stream, and yeah, I'm sorry that happened. That was I burned that whole stream. I burned that thing to ashes. It's no longer anywhere in the world. It's burned.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for those of you that had kids, man, I am sorry to hear that. You know, that's some wild stuff.
It will be evil.
How much risk percent do you trade, or do I recommend? 1, 2, 3%, somewhere around there. Oh, there's a couple of us in Arizona. Let us know so we could do a meetup. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'll probably hit up my boy Derek. Some of you guys know Derek Vandy. I'll hit him up too, and maybe even Anthony's World will be down, and we'll kind of put a little meetup together. I think that would be dope. Little networking event. It's gone. Yeah, exactly. That will never happen again. Green made sure of it. Awesome. Good to know there's a lot of people in Arizona here. I bleached my eyeballs at I'm legally blind now. That's funny. Yeah, that was weird.
Childish acts.
Anthony had over 1,000 lots before. Yeah, I've seen him take some pretty cool trades that he posted. Don hit it too. Yeah, Don got hit with that too. Yep. That guy's probably sitting there laughing, but I feel bad for that dude. Oh, much love from Portugal. Hey, Carla. Thanks for being here. Green handled it. Yeah. Green handled it. Ty Lopez? Yeah, exactly. I got photographic memory. I'll never forget it. Oh, man.
Yeah, shred it up. Try to.
Half the chat don't know what's going on.
I know.
Good. Just good. That's a good way to look at a hero of the day. There you go. Just picked up Outwitting the Devil on Audible. Oh, beautiful. Amazing. Yeah, it's better that you don't know. You had to be there. Nah, somebody said that their kid was sitting there with them. I would be pissed. Bro. If I had my kid sitting right there, I mean, there's nothing I could do about it, but I'd be like, wow. That's chalked.
For sure.
It was violence to the eyeballs. Yeah, let's just call it that. That's why you can never miss a stream. You can never miss a stream. If you missed a stream, yesterday's stream was the only stream I would say miss. But all the other streams, make sure you're there. My 8-month-old was watching. Jeez. Hopefully they were dozing off, not looking. Violence to the eyeballs is the greatest way to put it. What time do you usually stream until? We'll probably chill for about 15 more minutes. If nothing happens, if we don't get a closure back below the range, then we'll probably just call it a day here. Yeah, usually till like 10:30. Only stream I missed in the past 2 months was yesterday. W. Trust me, W.
Hey, biggest dub of the year.
Ty Lopez happened yesterday, yeah. John Stewart's in the chat. John's a mod.
Hey.
John, you're already a mod, dude.
Hey.
Yeah, there you go.
No.
How can I get up your setup? What setup? What setup? Yeah, we may range a bit here. We may flip-floppy a little bit, right? Just not do much. If we don't get a closure here, then I'll probably call it a day, and I'll just probably wait till like noonish. Let price consolidate a little bit, and then you may get a breakout again. Let's see. Why do I hold losers for longer than winners? I don't let my runners run. It's just a mental thing. Any advice? Yeah. Yeah. So you have to. I don't know how much time you have in the markets or experience, but a lot of times like holding runners is gonna come from experience, and a lot of times it's cool, right? Close 90% of your position at the advantage point, and then what you could do is you could start to, as you start seeing your trades run a little bit more after you close them, go to from closing 90% to closing 80%, and then closing 70%, and then 50, and slowly you start to warm yourself up to holding larger positions for longer. And yeah, and then maybe eventually you get to the point where you're like, hey, I'm not closing anything, I'm just gonna let it run. And yeah, that's how you can kind of like ease your way into holding the full position. The music with the guitar is so nice. Yeah, that's one of my favorite tracks. 1.2k likes, let's go. 1.2k, nice guys, thanks a lot, appreciate it. Hey, if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel too. We're trying to get to, let's see, 15k here, right? Almost there. GJ closed above, get into buys in the retest. Oh, nice. Nice, Tommy. Good stuff. Hey, we need 2 more wins, and we got 80 wins here this year. We're almost at 80 dubs.
Hey.
Where you know they do that at? Where you know they do that at? Check GJ. Yeah, we got rid of GJ. GJ, we're not trading anymore. But yeah, very nice.
Good shot.
Good stuff. Yeah, that's probably the best trade on GJ in the last couple weeks. This thing doesn't really want to go. I think it's waiting. Yeah, we wanted to come down, grab liquidity here. Maybe we create support to continue up on the Dow here. Nick, when or will be any promos to the Signals channel? Yeah, we're going to open the Signals channel up, I think next week. And we're going to run a 2-month promo again. So if anybody buy whatever package you purchase, you'll get 2 months free on that. Yeah, we're going to open that up next week.
That'd be dope.
John 10 through 11. Hey, man. Ain't it great? Ain't it great? A good shepherd. Let's call it. Yeah, we might call it here. I know my issue is risk management. Do you have any recommendations for pip margin calculator? I would use Magic Keys, and I would risk, just keep in mind I'm on my 5th challenge account, and I know my issue is risk management. Yeah, I would get Magic Keys. There's a link in the description here. I think if you ! Magic Keys, that link will pop up too. Highly, highly recommend getting that. That will just sharpen you so much on your risk management edge. Because you guys see me close and open positions at the press of a button, right? It makes trading's already a little complicated with decision making, so it makes the decision making really easy. So I would recommend getting that calculator.
Yeah, look at it as an investment,
Yeah,
into your trading.
great investment.
It's an
too.
investment. Yeah.
I'm heading out for the day. Stay blessed, gang. All right, look left. Blessings to you.
Blessings on blessings.
Blessings.
He's back.
Hey,
Yo, it's so hot.
Amen.
Bro. I couldn't.
Yeah,
was
it's
like,
getting
no
hot in
clothes
my
are
room,
below?
too. He was out. No clothes below. I'm out.
I was like, I'll sit back and watch.
I'll be Sam.
I dipped out in the
Life of
pool,
a trader.
the rooftop pool over here. Up in the panty.
Sam listens to the charts. If the candle closure tells him no, he goes in his pool and then he'll come back for the next time the charts want to say something.
Yeah.
Trader lifestyle.
There's nothing.
Yeah, chat. I think that's gonna be the day here. I think we're gonna call it. I don't see any possibilities here when it comes to selling off. I really don't want to take buys in this range at all. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. If we get any closures back below, then I may be interested to take sells. If I do take those, I'll call them in the signals channel. US30 as well. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. If we can get the 15 to maybe close back above the range or even above the resistance here, because we need a range 2 breakout, right? Although price pushed up, we just kind of pushed up. If we can get a range 2 breakout, which we've got the potential support now, so maybe we could take buys coming up at the closure here. If not, just wait for it to play out on the 15-minute. Maybe wait for a closure above there, and then you can come up, fill that wick, fill this wick to the left. So that's the plan. But I'll keep you guys posted in the signals room. For those who are going to be on still, I'll probably chime in the Discord here and there. But that's going to be the day here for the Time to Eat trading stream, the New York live stream. So I hope you guys have a great day. For those who are in Europe, have a great night. And for those of you guys here in the States, enjoy the day. And we'll be back at it mañana.
Yes,
Peace, boys.
sir. Peace, boys.
Mañana. All right, Sam. All right, John.
Peace, chat.
See you guys later.
That's
Chat.
it. I give it to you.
See y'all tomorrow. Hey, like the stream, sub to the channel on the way out. Do me that one solid here. Make my day
the
and
bell.
like the stream. Hit the bell. Hit the bell. Get your notifications on. But all right, chat. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good one, and be blessed. Later. Peace.
And I'm gone.
He's gone. Later, chat.